अगर मैंने किसी को बोल दिया मैं होटल मैनेजमेंट कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ।
क्या बनाना सीखा है?
आपकी तो चरण दूर लेनी चाहिए। क्या
तू ये खाना ही बनाएगा. We learn a lot of things. Hotel management school or college, they show you a celebrity. A student sometimes does not even meet that celebrity for upcoming next 3 years or 4 years. Upcoming next 3 years or 4 years.
आप लोग मुझे बोल रहे हो कि 200 रुपये में आपको पास्ता खाना है, लेकिन इटालियन चीज़ों को यूज़ करके जो ऑथेंटिक इटालियन रेसिपी है, उस रेसिपी के इंग्रेडिएंट्स का ही कॉस्ट कुछ 400 प्लस चले जाता है फॉर वन पोर्शन ऑफ पास्ता.
Correct. Now, when I procure a pasta from India, that sauces are made from Indian tomatoes. If I want a San Marzano tomato, can of 5 kg will cost you around 800 rupees.
So today at the White Room we have Chef Ashish Mondal, and we want to know about the hospitality industry, the restaurants industry, the cafe industry, the hospitality courses, colleges, career options. We want to understand how somebody 20-year-old can make a business in hospitality. We want to understand the pros and cons. We want to understand what goes into making a successful hospitality career and what it takes out of you. The industry, as we all know, is very physically intensive. It requires a lot out of your body, your mind, your creativity, and your patience as well. Because in the end, the hospitality industry is trying to serve their guests in so many different forms, which we don't know about. Welcome to the White Room podcast, Chef Ashish. How are you feeling today?
First of all, thank you so much for hosting me. I am feeling great. This is the first time that I'm doing this. I'm sitting down. I am open to share my experience. It has been a long journey that I've been working around. Here I come down, I share my experience of working as well as teaching. Now, how to make a career out of it, because my journey has been from international cruise lines to a small restaurant to a cafe, then to a fine dining restaurant. It has been multiple places. So here it helps me to bring my experience and share it with people. Like you said, 20 years old. Now, a 20 years old need a lot of guidance before they started.
Yeah.
They do not know the real picture. They just know a pretty picture. What does it look like?
Yeah.
So I'm here to give you the reality check of how does it work. And then if it is helping somebody, I am happy to share more knowledge about it.
So I'll start at the very beginning of my knowledge about it, क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज नहीं है. बट इन माई कैपेसिटी वट आई थिंक दैट द फर्स्ट रिस्पॉन्डर्स टू द हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री आर द पीपल हु आर फूडीज.
Correct.
जो भी इंसान मैंने नोटिस किया है कि इफ़ दे आर अ फूडी सिंस देयर चाइल्डहुड इन देयर टीनेज, they are the first responders, meaning they are the first pursuants. They give the biggest thought that can I become a professional in the hospitality industry? Is that correct?
Yes. That is how interest starts.
Okay.
But then can I make a career in this? That is another ball game totally. Because liking food and trying to make a career around food, this is two different things. Me enjoying something that is cooked and me enjoying the cooking process, that is two different game again. While cooking, say I give you a small example where I ask you to come to a restaurant and have a wonderful food for one day. That is still all right. You go out and tell your friends that, okay, I had a beautiful food at this restaurant. But then you come down to me on the second day or the third day. And if you do not get the same food, would you come back to me again?
Right. I won't.
Now that is a part where consistency plays in.
Right.
This generation or anybody, they can do a job, but can they do it consistently?
Right.
That is the challenge what we face here or what we learn here.
So the challenge is to, can you make the same, like let's say it's paneer butter masala or something like that, like, or it's a biryani. Can you make the same biryani when you make it for 300 times and it's tasting the same, arguably better at the 300th time? And can you maintain that recipe, you know, the preservation of that recipe? Can you maintain that, and so that your customers know that this is the taste of this particular place?
For me, yes, because I have been practicing that for multiple times. For the first time, maybe I could make one way. For the second time, I could match up the first time, say about 95% of it.
Okay.
The third time, I could increase that to 97. The fourth time, it was 98, 99. And it's a game of consistency. The more I practice, it's a game of skill. The more I practice, the more I am able to pull that off.
Right.
And the more I fail, the more I will become better. It's
Right.
like a small example. You go to ride a bicycle. If you haven't fallen of that bicycle, will you ever learn?
Yeah.
So it's the same thing. The more you practice, the 300 time if you want to reach, you have to practice that so many times so that you can get it done.
Do you think because younger people have short attention spans, that's why they are able to be less consistent?
A very brutal answer, yes. Because it's also with the internet taking over,
Right.
or I have Instagram Reels, for example. My attention span is for 15 seconds or 30 seconds.
Right.
My dopamine is it for 30 seconds. I want a change.
Huh.
I have been getting trained with that change. That is not helping me to be consistent into something. I tell you to see a web series which has good information for good 4 hours, you won't be able to do it. But I tell you to scroll reels on Instagram for 4 hours, it is giving you instant dopamine for next 15 seconds, 30 seconds every single time.
इसलिए बोरिंग काम नहीं कर पाते ना लोग, लाइक सिटिंग इन अ किचन एंड डूइंग लाइक लेट्स से आई एम अ शेफ हु मेक्स गाजर का हलवा एंड आई माई ओनली ड्यूटी इज टू मेक गाजर का हलवा एंड आई एम गेटिंग रियली गुड पेमेंट फॉर दैट. Can I make that for 30 years straight with the same taste and the same attention to detail of that? So that is the difference between people who are average in their careers and they are really great, that they can pay attention to the smallest details every time and they are ready to do it every day, like
Correct.
every day, day in and day out. So when you started, tell me what brought you into this industry and what has continued you कि आप इसी industry को pursue करोगे अभी इतने साल हो गए उसके बाद भी.
When I started my career, जब से मैंने शुरू किया था, I was doing engineering. I was a junior engineer.
Okay.
Like हर किसी के इंडिया में आप हर किसी को जैसे बोला जाता है कि आप एक इंजीनियर बनोगे.
हाँ.
I went for diploma. I did my diploma. Physics एक सब्जेक्ट था जो मेरे को थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट पड़ रहा था.
हाँ.
I finished that, and then I was like, I do not want to pursue my career in an engineering background, because again, the future that I saw, maybe it was a desk job or on ground, I did not know. But mostly what I could see, IT people, वो जाते थे सिस्टम के साथ बैठते थे और काम करते थे. फिर मैंने ऑप्ट आउट किया कि मैं एक स्किल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री में जाता हूँ, बिकॉज आई हैड इंटरेस्ट कि मैं स्किल ज़्यादा सीखूँ.
ठीक है.
मैंने स्किल सीखा, मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में गया. मैं ये नहीं बोल सकता कि मेरा पहले दिन से पैशन था, कि मैं पैशनेट था, मैंने खाना देखा था या मैंने गॉर्डन रामजे को देखा था या मैंने इंटरनेट पे कुछ देखा था तो मैं इसमें करियर बनाना चाहता था. नहीं, मैं गया, मैंने मेरे अंदर स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है या मेरे अंदर वीकनेस क्या है या मेरे पास क्या क्या है, वो मैं गया इस इंडस्ट्री के साथ काम करते करते धीरे धीरे. व्हेन आई वाज गेटिंग एजुकेटेड, मैं सीखते सीखते मैंने ये चीज़ देखा कि ये मेरा इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है इसमें, एंड आई एम गेटिंग मोर टूवर्ड्स इंक्लाइन टूवर्ड्स इट. तो मैंने क्या किया कि मैं और काम करते रहा. मेरा स्ट्रेंथ या मेरे क्वालिटीज़ इसके स्ट्रेंथ के साथ मैच होने लगे. तो मुझे लगा ये मेरा इलाका है.
राइट.
आई कैन डू मच बेटर योर rather than in engineering.
Okay.
So I continued, I created my passion for it.
Right.
It's not that I was born with it. कोई भी ऐसा होता नहीं है कि मैं यही करूँगा, जब छोटा होता है कि मैं यही करूँगा और इसी में करियर बनाऊँगा. नहीं, आप करते रहते हो कुछ, आप कुछ सीखते हो, आप करते करते कुछ और सीखते हो, फिर आप उस चीज़ को एक्सेल करते हो आप.
Right.
And then you make a career.
Right.
That's how I think you also have made your career while doing something. Everybody makes a career around it like that only.
Till the age of 23, I did not know कि मुझे यही करना है. When I went into my first job and I spent 6 months in my first job, after that I knew कि okay, this is something that I could do. वो भी could का can I do this, वो बहुत बाद में develop हुआ है. But then coming back, as you said that the skills you had and the qualities you had, they were very matching to this industry. So what skills and what qualities are you talking about, if you can name some of them?
Okay. The first one is staying in there.
Okay.
Like if you have to do a job, you have to show up every single day.
ये जो आपने स्किल की बात की कि रोज यू हैव टू गो इन एंड यू हैव टू बी देयर, ये तो हर इंडस्ट्री में कॉमन ही बात है कि यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट थिंग्स टू हैपन इन 3 months, यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट देम टू हैपन इन द फर्स्ट ईयर. लॉट ऑफ पीपल गिव इन द फर्स्ट 1 year ऑफ द परस्यूट ऑफ समथिंग न्यू. तो somebody has to choose कि सब किसी ने अगर बोला कि मेरे पास में स्किल है, ठीक है, मैं रोज़ जाके काम कर सकता हूँ, विल यू रिकमेंड अ सर्टन पर्सन कि आप इंजीनियरिंग या मेडिकल या जो क्लीशे बेस्ट या मोस्ट पॉपुलर प्रोफेशन है इंडिया में, उनको छोड़ के आप होटल मैनेजमेंट लो एज अ ऑल्टरनेट फॉर्म ऑफ करियर, और किसको रिकमेंड करोगे आप? Like what personality traits, because you are a teacher yourself, so what personality do you think that this kind of personality can survive definitely in the hotel management industry, and this type of personality cannot survive?
Okay, so I'll share a thing about India. India runs on a mindset where if I am working for somebody, I am doing a small job.
Okay.
Like if I am providing a service to you, I am doing a small job, or this person is smaller than me.
सही में.
लाइक आप कहीं भी जाओ, किसी भी होटल में जाओ,
हाँ.
या कोई भी आपके लिए जब काम करता है, से योर मेड्स
हाँ.
और योर ड्राइवर्स,
Right.
द ब्लू कॉलर जॉब,
Hmm.
when they work for us, we feel like okay, they are working for us.
Right.
We do not treat them like they are just working.
Right. ऐसा
We treat
generally
them, yeah.
एक mindset रहता है.
Same is this for about the hospitality industry, where because we are working for somebody, they feel like okay, it is a very small kind of job. So switching to a career, yes, there has been a lot of changes about this career or about this industry, where people have started to speak up that why it is so important, why is the management so important.
Right.
Earlier, see, post our 1947, after our independence, we did not had anything, we did not had industry. There was an industrial revolution, there was an IT revolution. Now comes a part where leisure is a revolution happening.
Leisure is a revolution. Wow, that is
Leisure.
so great. That leisure is a revolution.
Because you see leisure coming in, you see nowadays this fast food restaurants, they have come, they have opened up chains of restaurant.
Right.
Earlier there was one single restaurant where we used to go and visit.
Right.
Now if there is a restaurant in say Nagpur, the similar kind of food you will find it in Pune as well, the similar kind of food you will find it up in Mumbai.
Right.
So that has started to develop.
Right.
Earlier, it was a chef from Nagpur selling me food, a chef from Pune selling me their authentic food, a chef from Mumbai selling me their authentic food. If I want to have Mumbai, Nagpur, and Pune, I can get it now because standardization have started coming into picture.
Right.
So, does anybody can make a career in this? Yes, definitely. There have been a lot of people who have made a good amount of money. There have been international players who have done a lot of things, but do you get a results within initial 4 or 5 years? No. I'll be dead honest there.
Initial 5 years you don't get results?
Because you are still learning. You are just getting exposed to that industry.
Okay, because there is so much to learn.
So much to learn. It is you are
Right.
just learning the ABCDs. When you go into a hotel management college, you learn all the ABCDs about everything. You do not learn to make sentences.
Right.
When you do your own thing, say everybody's job is different. I am opening a fine dining restaurant. Somebody is opening a quick service restaurant. These two sounds very similar because both has a restaurant name, but both have a completely different operations.
Right.
Completely, drastically different operations. One is just serving you.
Huh.
One is giving you a hospitality service.
Right.
One is a transactional service. Where
Okay.
QSR, it's a very transactional service. You give me money, I give you food. We are
Right.
done. Like within 2 or 3 minutes, you will get your food ready.
Yeah.
When you go to a fine dining restaurant, food is a secondary factor there. The primary factor is how have I treated you. The moment you have entered my door,
Yeah.
how do I treat you so that you can remember and come the next time. Now coming to the point about the career. Career is vastly great. Even the QSR makes a lot of money. Even a fine dining makes a lot of money. But the structure, the sentences in both the cases are completely different. That needs to be learned.
Okay.
Okay. Do I suggest anyone to go ahead? Yes, if you have a lot of passion for it. It's a passion-based industry.
Okay.
If I have a passion, if I have a lot of financial background set, then only I suggest somebody to go and open up something. Or if not, learn a lot of things first, make a lot of mistakes first in somebody else's organization, and then open your own. Because
Right.
that will help you after all the learnings to become something really better.
Is that the best way, that in hospitality at least, that you go, you work for somebody else's organization, as you said, you learn something for about 5, 7, 8 years, then you go into business. Is that the best career path? Or what if somebody right out of the college, they want to go into business? Is it possible, or do they just not know the industry enough and they're going to fall on your head that ये गलत जगह आ गया मैं?
सर कोई भी इंडस्ट्री का आप लेके चले जाओ, से आप पॉडकास्ट ही कर रहे हो, टिल द टाइम आपने किसी का पॉडकास्ट देखा नहीं है या किसी के पॉडकास्ट में जाके बैठे नहीं हो आप, या किसी के माइक के बारे में पता नहीं है, कैमरास के बारे में पता नहीं है, क्या आप पॉडकास्ट शुरू कर सकते हो?
राइट.
आपको उसके बारे में जानना पड़ेगा, इस लाइटिंग का इफेक्ट क्या है, इस माइक का स्टैंडर्ड क्या है, या इस कैमरा किस तरह से काम करता है, तब हम एक पॉडकास्ट को शुरू कर सकते हैं. लेकिन वही चीज़ है, अगर मैं स्ट्रेट अवे पॉडकास्ट शुरू कर दूँ, यस मेरे पास खरीदने के पैसे हैं, से फॉर एग्जांपल मैं कॉलेज से जस्ट निकला, माय फैमिली बैकग्राउंड इज़ गुड, मैं खरीद सकता हूँ, मैं चेयर्स खरीद सकता हूँ, ये रोड के माइक खरीद सकता हूँ, या कैमरा बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी का खरीद सकता हूँ, लेकिन क्या मैं उसको मेंटेन कर पाऊँगा?
हाँ.
That is a challenge, right? Similarly here, it's a same product. Like your product is a podcast, my product is food.
Right.
If I want to sell it, I need to know how is the onion coming from, how is the tomato coming from, where is the source of it, how will it come to my place,
Right.
how will I process it, how will I store it, and then how will I serve it to you. These are different things. Like for your example, like a reference of mic and camera that we spoke about, the same thing, my onion and tomatoes are this thing.
Right. I saw this very interesting video that एक शेफ़ थे, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आप लोग मुझे बोल रहे हो कि 200 रुपये में आपको पास्ता खाना है, मैं खिलाता हूँ, लेकिन इटालियन चीज़ों को यूज़ करके जो ऑथेंटिक इटालियन रेसिपी है जो मैंने सीखी है कॉलेज में, एक होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज में, उस रेसिपी के इंग्रेडिएंट्स का ही कॉस्ट कुछ 400 प्लस चले जाता है फॉर 1 पोर्शन ऑफ पास्ता.
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑथेंटिक. वो पास्ता आप 200 रुपये में नहीं खा सकते. तो प्रॉब्लम ये कि लोगों को प्राइस पॉइंट वो अट्रैक्ट करता है 200 रुपये के पास्ता वाला, बट दे वॉन्ट द टेस्ट ऑफ अ गोरमे पास्ता विच इज़ लाइक द एक्चुअल इटालियन रेसिपी. मे बी दे विल नॉट इवन लाइक द एक्चुअल इटालियन रेसिपी, क्योंकि हम थोड़ा सा इंडियनाइज्ड कर देते हैं चीज़ों को. लाइक हम इंडियन तरीके से बनाते हैं, लाइक ज़्यादा मसाला, ज़्यादा सॉल्ट या ज़्यादा मिर्ची. बट इटालियन, अगर इटली का जो पास्ता है उसका टेस्ट ऑब्वियसली अलग आएगा. People want that experience, but they want to pay 200 rupees. So what is this mindset problem कि लोग complain करते हैं about the taste when they are going into a place जो आपको promise भी नहीं कर रहा है कि मैं आपको कुछ fine dining offer कर रहा हूँ, वो आपको quick food, fast food offer कर रहा है, और आप वहाँ पे जाके complain कर रहे हो कि पास्ता सही नहीं बना. तो what is this whole mindset problem that people don't want to spend, don't want to take that experience, and they want to complain about the quality also.
It's expectation versus reality.
हाँ.
Now my expectations are, I want a pasta. Now pasta has been coming from Italy,
Right.
but pasta is also getting made in India.
Okay.
Now when I procure a pasta from India, it is made from Indian flours.
हाँ.
It is made from Indian, that sauces are made from Indian tomatoes.
Right.
If I procure the Italian flour to make a pasta, obviously it is coming with the logistics.
हाँ.
The flour is made at cheaper price, but till the time it reaches back to me, to India,
Right.
there is a lot of logistics. If I want a San Marzano tomato for my good like a pilate sauce, I would need the tomatoes that are grown in Italy.
Can you tell like what's the price difference like?
Pilate for tomato pilate, a can of 5 kg will cost you around 800 rupees.
Can of 5 kg around 800 rupees.
800 rupees. And a 5 kg tomato in India will cost you about what? 30 into 5, 150 rupees.
Right. So the difference of 150 rupees of raw material versus 800 rupees of raw material, that's where the price increases.
Correct.
So when people complain about, like they would go into a Taj and make reels about that यहाँ पे तो like 2500 रुपए का पास्ता था और 3000 रुपए का पास्ता, is because they are using the expensive kind of
ones, correct.
expensive kind of flour and the tomato, and the chef also he knows.
He has spent good amount of time learning that.
Right.
Maybe he went into a training. Some of the other chefs who are specially trained, they even go to Italy and get themselves trained, and then they come here. And sometimes I want to sell that very
Right.
authentic food, but when I see my consumers, they want something at a 200 price point. I will have to also say, I want to make a business out of it.
Yeah, you can't make something that people won't buy.
People won't buy because that is a business. That's the whole point of a business. If somebody is demanding me something at 200, I have to get down at 200.
Right.
And if I want to make my profit, my food cost has to be 30% of that 200. That is 60 rupees. And because I have overhead expenses, say rents, electricity, fuel, then labor cost, then making charges, a lot of things are there inside which will cover my 200. So food cost will stay up to 60. 30 to 35% is the demanded one that we keep it in the industry so that we can manage everything with the profits. If you tell me that I should not make my profit, I am doing an NGO service.
Right.
If I want to make my profit, I have to keep that food cost to 60 rupees only.
Right.
60 maximum I can spend, stretch down to 70.
Right. Got it. Yeah.
So that is the case where from 70, I can maximum sell you at 200 or 250. If my food ingredients are of a bigger price, expensive price, I can sell you at 2000 as well.
बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग जो इस इंडस्ट्री में काफ़ी साल से हैं, दे हैव सेड इट वेरी पब्लिकली कि इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग 20-25% ऑफ प्रॉफिट रनिंग अ रेस्टोरेंट, कंसिडर योर सेल्फ लकी,
Very lucky.
because it doesn't get better than that. So I wanted to understand that the profit margins are about 20-25%, right? The industry, the lower strata of the industry, I'm not talking about the chefs or the managers or your VPs of a hotel chain. I'm talking about the bus boys and the waiters and the their valets. I'm talking about those people. When the industry is making only 20-25% and the lowest strata of the industry, they're not getting paid well. The average salaries are around 15,000 to 25,000 even if you're working for a decent enough restaurant. Why is this pay so much less? Like what is getting consumed in the expense? Because what is it is telling me as an observer कि खर्चा बहुत होता है. तो आप क्योंकि आप आपके स्टाफ को पे नहीं कर पा रहे हो और आप प्रॉफिट भी उतना ज़्यादा नहीं कमा पा रहे हो, लाइक एन IT कंपनी जो 55% रिटर्न्स कर लेगी है उस तरीके से, तो खर्चा बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. What are the biggest sources of expenditure that this industry faces?
The most important one is the wastage that we have,
Actually,
the food wastage.
मतलब आप बोल रहे हो सबसे ज़्यादा वेस्टेज पे खर्चा होता है.
खर्चा ऐसे होता है ना कि खर्चा करने के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं, बट खर्चा यूटिलाइज
ओके.
भी होना जरूरी है. अब सबसे ज़्यादा खर्चा कंट्रोल कहाँ पे कर सकते हैं अपन, इज दैट इज ऑन फूड, बिकॉज हमारा सबसे मेन धंधा खाने पे ही है.
हाँ.
खाना आता है, खाने का लाइफ होता है एक, इफ एट अ गुड क्वालिटी 3 days.
ओके.
अब मेरे को खाना वो 3 दिन के अंदर ख़त्म करना है. अगर मैं वो 3 दिन के अंदर उस खाने को कंज्यूम नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं उस खाने का प्रोडक्ट लाइफ ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ, या तो उसका टेस्ट खत्म कर रहा हूँ या तो उसका फ्रेशनेस खत्म कर रहा हूँ.
तो वो बहुत सारा वेस्टेड एक्सपेंडिचर हो गया.
वेस्टेज एक्सपेंस या तो कभी कभार हम होल्ड करके रखते हैं.
राइट.
जैसे अब आप एक रेस्टोरेंट में आ रहे हो, आपको चाहिए एक, आपने एक बोल दिया कि मेरे को एक पेस्टो पास्ता चाहिए.
हाँ.
मेरे मेन्यू में नहीं है.
हाँ.
अब कहीं ना कहीं अगर मेरे पास जो भी अवेलेबल इंग्रेडिएंट्स अगर मेरे पास स्टॉक में अगर रहेंगे तो मैं बना भी सकता हूँ.
ओके.
तो मेरे को कभी कभार होल्ड करके रखना पड़ता है कुछ चीज़ें.
राइट.
कुछ चीज़ें मैंने, किसी गेस्ट ने स्पेशल ऑर्डर किया था, 1 किलो का पैकेट खरीदा मैंने, 100 ग्राम का यूसेज था. अब 900 ग्राम्स तो मेरा होल्डिंग स्टॉक चलेगा ना.
ओके. तो वो पैसा वहाँ पे ब्लॉक हो गया.
ब्लॉक हो गया.
राइट राइट राइट.
कभी होता है आइटरेशन रेट भी इस इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा है. पीपल कमिंग एंड पीपल गोइंग.
राइट.
So training takes a lot of money as well. Because
Okay.
there are new people, I have to train the new people.
क्योंकि लोग जॉब छोड़ देते हैं.
लोग जॉब छोड़ देते हैं.
What is the biggest reason for that? Like if somebody has to leave their job, what would be the 3 biggest reasons that they're going to leave their job in hospitality? What are the factors that are contributing to that?
First is, in India specifically, I'll be very honest here, money.
कि पैसे नहीं मिल रहे.
पैसे मिलते हैं, जिस टाइम पे आपको पैसे मिलते हैं वो 8 या 9 साल के बाद होता है, या जब आप एक
Wow.
अच्छी पोजीशन पे पहुंच जाते हो.
Wow.
इनिशियली आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में चले जाओ, आपको इनिशियल लेवल पे कहाँ ही ज़्यादा पैसे मिलते हैं. यू स्टार्ट एट एवरेज ऑफ 25-30 ओनली. Any industry, even your IT industry, when you go, Indian IT industry, if I can mention your TCS or Infosys, that's an Indian IT based industry. Do they really pay you more than 30-35 initially?
Yeah, they start at that.
They start at that bar only. You start, once you develop a lot of things that is needed for that job, then they start to pay you.
Okay.
It is the same here. When we start, you are paid on a very average amount, 25-30. Then when you start to develop new techniques, new skills, or new responsibilities that you can intake and do it, that is where you start to get paid.
Right. It's the same logic where somebody who's just peeling onions and
Yeah.
their only skill is that they are peeling onions. will get paid less than the person who knows how to buy the entire groceries of the kitchen of the hotel. So they're obviously going to get paid more because they're the kitchen inventory manager.
Correct.
So from the journey to be an onion peeler to a kitchen inventory manager, you're saying that it about takes more than 5 to 10 years.
It's on average 5 years, yes, you will take, because you are observing a lot of things.
Right.
First thing is observation, then is doing it, then you do mistakes, then you excel that job.
Right.
It's not that, okay, I have understood, okay, what is a food, I will make it. A lot of people do a mistake that when they open their restaurant, they are like, I will purchase this food for 30 rupees, I will sell it at 100 rupees.
ये लॉजिक रहता है ना, बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं कि इंजीनियर्स बहुत ज़्यादा करते हैं कि मैं मैगी लूँगा 10 रुपये की और मेरे गैस का 5 रुपये का खर्चा आएगा, पानी तो फ्री होता है, तो मैं 5 रुपये की गैस लगा रही 10 रुपये की मैगी, इसको मैं 50 में बेचूंगा. तो वो अपने मन में एकदम मैथ्स कर लेते हैं कि मैं 1000 पैकेट मैगी खरीदूंगा, 10,000 रुपये की मैगी हो गई और मैं उसको 50,000 में बेचूंगा, मैं 40,000 रुपये कमा लिए.
करेक्ट.
बट दिस इज सो लिमिटेड. लाइक इफ़ यू आर गोइंग इन टू कि मैं एक रेडी लगा लूँगा और मैं ये कर लूँगा, मे बी यू कैन डू दैट, बट हाउ फार यू कैन गो बाय डूइंग दैट?
Now that same person, if I tell that same IT person to work on that stall,
हाँ,
he won't work.
he won't work.
He won't work there. He will hire somebody to work there.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
So now that 10,000 rupees had a food cost, you did not calculate the labor charges of that person who was standing on that ready.
क्योंकि आप तो 12 घंटे खड़े नहीं रह सकते धूप में
Correct.
रेडी पे.
तो रेडी पे जिसको आप खड़े करने वाले हो,
हाँ
वो भी तो 20-25 हज़ार लेगा ना.
हाँ.
अब आपका
सर
जो
कहाँ 20-25 हज़ार मिलते हैं? आई एम सो सॉरी, बट 500 रुपये 600 रुपये मिलता है किसी लेबर को. क्योंकि मुझे पता है, एक नागपुर का ही रेस्टोरेंट है, उनके यहाँ पे अगर 1 घंटे की मैं बात करूँ तो 20 से 22,000 रुपये का उनका एक देसी टर्म में बोलते हैं कि गल्ला होता है.
Correct.
तो 22,000 वो स्ट्रीट फूड ही बेचते हैं इतवारी में. 1 घंटे में 20 से 22,000 रुपये का उनका बिजनेस हो रहा है. उनका जो पाव भाजी वाला बंदा है, मैंने उससे बात करी, उसको 400 रुपये मिलते हैं रोज,
एक शाम के.
एक शाम के. तो वो 7 बजे से लेके 1-2 बजे तक के रात तक के करेगा काम, और बाद में बर्तन भी वही करेगा उसके, क्योंकि उसका काम है. 400 रुपये उसको रोज़ी मिलती है, तो 12,000 रुपये उसकी सैलरी हो गई. उसमें वो क्या ही निकालता होगा, बट द प्लेस, उनका तो महीने का 1 करोड़ के ऊपर का बिजनेस हो जा रहा है. तो ये जो
गैप.
I understand that there are costs in fine dining. I can't put my head around that. How can there be so many overhead costs in a ठेला और a street food ready, जहाँ पे आप arguably like the sanity condition is very bad. You are using the same cutlery again. You are not washing it properly. You are using the old oil again. You are using so many cost saving methods. You're not paying your people more than 400 rupees दिहाड़ी. और फिर भी आप, what these people are doing, sir, is what, and I have my issue with these people is that they are creating the notion that हम 6 करोड़ रुपए कमा रहे हैं, बट हमारे साथ में जो काम करने वाला बंदा है वो 12,000 रुपये कमा रहा है. सी द डिफरेंस, 12,000 पर मंथ और 6 करोड़ रुपए पर मंथ.
So, it's also exploitation in this industry that is happening a lot.
एक्सप्लॉयटेशन बहुत होता है ना,
बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. जैसे अब वो भी होता क्यों है ना, बिकॉज आई हैव अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये इंडिया में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है.
अगर ये बंदा 400 में नहीं काम करेगा, मेरे पास 3 लोग और है जो शायद 350 में काम करने के लिए रेडी है, बिकॉज
क्योंकि वो नीड क्रिएट हो गई है.
नीड क्रिएट हो गया, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हो चुका है.
हाँ.
एंड वो अपने जगह पे गलत नहीं है कि वो 350 में काम कर रहा है. वो जब एक गांव में था, वो जब शहर में आया, वो 50 रुपये भी नहीं कमा पा रहा था.
हाँ.
उसने एक स्किल सीखा, अपने आप को अपग्रेड किया, पाव भाजी बनाना सीखा.
हाँ
वो अपने आप को 400 के लेवल तक लेके गया.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
अब वो अगर उसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आप देखो तो ही इज डूइंग फ्रॉम 50 रुपीज टू 400. दैट इज गुड अमाउंट ऑफ जंप.
ठीक है.
From a business person point of view, if a lot of cheap labor are available at 400, why should I spend more?
ये कंस्ट्रक्शन लेबर्स के साथ भी यही होता है कि अगर किसी स्पेसिफिक एरिया से लेबर, जैसे गोंदिया लेबर का बहुत बोलते हैं और बालाघाट लेबर का बोलते हैं, तो महाराष्ट्र में वहीं से गोंदिया और बालाघाट दोनों से लेबर सबसे ज़्यादा आता है. तो गोंदिया लेबर अगर आपको 800 रुपये में मिल रहा है और बालाघाट लेबर अगर आपको 600 में मिल रहा है, तो आप हमेशा वो 600 वाले कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को बोलोगे कि तू मुझे लेबर ला के दे दे.
पैसा बचाना किसको नहीं पसंद सर?
राइट.
आप भी इस इंडस्ट्री
बट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्सप्लॉयटेशन.
सर, यू कैन नॉट टीच अ ह्यूमन टू बी ह्यूमन.
वाओ. You can't teach a human to be human.
You cannot.
Either you are a good human or you are not.
You are not.
This is not a skill that you can teach.
You cannot teach. I can teach you how to cook, but I
हाँ.
cannot teach you to be human.
हाँ हाँ, correct. Wow, this is so good. You can't teach a human to be human.
Yeah.
बस नहीं सिखा सकते आप किसी को ह्यूमैनिटेरियन वैल्यूज़, किसी के अंदर आप फोर्सफुली एम्बाइब नहीं कर सकते, या तो उसको खुद ही रियलाइजेशन होगा या तो उसको नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
एंड देन
अगर मेरा वही जैसे आप बोले
हाँ.
6 करोड़ का धंधा है, मैं अगर यहाँ पे 50,000 भी दे दूँ, वो आदमी मेरे को कभी छोड़ के भी नहीं जाएगा.
हाँ
उसको ऐसा दिखता है ना, वो 400 रुपये में, अब लोग बोलते हैं लोग छोड़ के जा रहे हैं.
हाँ
अब उस 400 रुपये वाले बंदे को कहीं पे 450 भी मिल गया,
हाँ
वो खुशी खुशी जाएगा. बस उसके लिए तो लाइफ में अपग्रेड है ना.
हाँ 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 करेक्ट
फिर आप स्ट्रेस में आते हो कि अरे ये मेरा बंदा छोड़ के क्यों गया,
करेक्ट.
बिकॉज आपने उसको एक्सप्लॉइट किया 400 पे. आप उसको अगर 500 दे देते खुशी खुशी, बिकॉज आपका धंधा हो रहा था इतना, लेकिन आप इसको एक्सप्लॉइट करते जा रहे हो, करते जा रहे हो, करते जा रहे हो. फिर एक दिन वो प्रेशर में आते वो छोड़ के चले जाओगे, तब क्या करोगे आप?
सर मुझे ये पूछना था, जैसे आपने बोला कि पैशन ड्रिवन इंडस्ट्री है, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड द पैशन ऑफ समबडी लर्निंग हाउ टू बी अ शेफ. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, पूरा लॉजिक मुझे समझ गया. हाउ कैन समबडी बी पैशनेट by themselves about trying to wait tables for somebody, trying to be a bartender for somebody? Because we agreed on this that these blue collar things are not having the highest societal respect in the strata. Like I don't know what the Radisson waiter makes. Can you tell the number, the
On
salary?
average, if it is a starting employee, they make around 20 to 25.
Okay,
They go up the ladder, they take responsibilities,
right.
they make about 40-50.
अगर एक वेटर है जो 50,000 कमा रहा है, दे डोंट हैव द सेम रिस्पेक्ट इन द सोसाइटी एज एन इंजीनियर जो एक 50,000 कमा रहा है. वुड यू अग्री ऑन दैट?
Sir, I just told you one, I'll repeat that again. In India, we look down to people who are into service-based industry.
तो फिर वो इंसान पैशनेट कैसे रहेगा अपने प्रोफेशन के बारे में? लाइक इवन दो इज मेकिंग 50,000 बट ही इज गेटिंग लुक डाउन अपॉन कि यार ये तो, लोगों का जनरल रहता है कि ये और कुछ नहीं कर पाया इसलिए वेटर बना है, ये और कुछ नहीं कर पाया इसलिए यहाँ पे आके मेरी टेबल को साफ कर रहा है. बट दैट इज ही इज बीइंग अ ह्यूमन टू यू. सो मेरे को तो गुस्सा आ जाता, बिकॉज आई बीन अ बारटेंडर, तो मेरे को तो गुस्सा आ जाता है इस चीज़ के ऊपर कि ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं और कुछ नहीं कर सका इसलिए मैं ड्रिंक्स बना, मुझे ड्रिंक्स बनाना अच्छा लगता है इसलिए भी तो मैं ड्रिंक्स बना सकता हूँ.
Correct.
ये एंगल को लोग समझते नहीं है. तो
ये
और
चीज़ इंटरनेशनली समझ में आ जाता है लोगों को, लेकिन वही है, इंडिया में
हाँ
अगर आप मेरे लिए काम कर रहे हो, भले कुछ भी काम कर रहे हो,
हाँ
अगर आप मेरे लिए छोटा सा भी काम कर रहे हो, एक a very open conversation I'll have it, sir. A husband sometimes does not treat a wife nicely because she's working for him.
because we assume in the societal terms कि the wife is supposed to help out the husband. It's so crazy. I mean, I hate it.
But that is happening because that is how we have been born and brought up. We have been seeing these things,
Right.
that somebody doing a job for we call it aya. When we are very small, there is a aya for to help our mother,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
to take care of as a child. तेल लगाना, मालिश करना, सब कुछ करना.
हाँ
अब उस बच्चे का नरिशमेंट कर रही है वो
हाँ
आया जो होती है,
करेक्ट.
लेकिन हम उसको इतना कम पैसा देते हैं ना
हाँ हाँ
कि हमारे को उतना भी इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं कि हमारे बच्चे के नरिशमेंट के लिए हम उसको इतना लुक डाउन करते कि भाई तुम तो 2 घंटा ही काम करके जा रहे हो यहाँ पे, तुम क्या कर रहे हो. लेकिन लुक एट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द जॉब दैट शी इज डूइंग.
Exactly. It's a very important job. That's what I'm saying, that for a chef to make a really good recipe and to serve at his fine dining restaurant, there has to be a really good waiter. There has to be a really good attending manager. There has to be a really good bartender who knows how to make the good cocktail. So if I'm having a pasta with an old fashioned, like I know pasta is being eaten with wine. I have my pasta with an old fashioned. If I'm having my pasta with an old fashioned, you don't have a good bartender. I love the pasta. I'll hate the cocktail. I'll not come back again.
Exactly.
So you lose the customer. So it's so important. The bartender's role is so important. But we look down upon him कि और कुछ नहीं करा इसलिए bartender बना है, and that is so wrong. How can we do something better to change that mindset according to you? If you were given the power to change that mindset in people, how would you do that?
It can start from our own houses.
Okay. Charity begins at home.
Charity begins at home, sir.
Right.
A gratitude begins at home. Everything that you start treating your own family members at a respectful level, that everybody contributes.
हाँ.
And everybody's contributing for your life in some or the other way.
Right.
You go outside, you start. There are people, I'm not telling that everybody in India here is doing that. But there are people, because of 1 or 2 people, I might start hating my job. This industry does not appreciate.
Okay.
This industry takes you for granted.
Okay.
So, keeping the passion continuous, the only thing that helps me is my paycheck.
Right.
The more I take responsibilities again, the more I take the money, because me expecting from people that they will look up to me, it will take a lot of time. There have been a conversation that is happening. There have been people that have started to speak about it. We are seeing a change in this industry. We are seeing Marriott's, for example, they have started with this culture of 5 days working.
Okay.
Earlier, it was 6 days working, 1 day off.
Right.
Now it is 5 days working. So there have been companies who are trying to promote or trying to change, but again, there are also a very cheap labor available. Even they are like, हमको काम दो, हम इतना सा काम करते हैं, हम चले जाएंगे. Even they sometimes do not want respect in return. They want money in return only.
हाँ, एक स्ट्रैटा है सोसाइटी का जो बोलता है कि मेरे को, मैं आपका काम कर दूंगा, आप मेरे को पैसे दे दो. ना तो उसको कभी प्रमोशन चाहिए, ना उनको कभी बेटर बनना है, ना उनको कुछ ज़्यादा सीखना है, उनको ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. दैट इज़ द एरिया ऑफ द सोसाइटी जो हमेशा ही फिर फ्रॉम द पॉइंट दे आर 21 टिल द पॉइंट दे आर 61 वो सेम पैसे कमाते हैं.
Correct.
Because they don't take up more responsibility, right? I wanted to ask that the ROI, the return on investment, it's a very big topic among education colleges these days, that the ROI of MBA colleges is this. तो लोग बोलते हैं कि अगर मैं 4 साल का कोर्स करने के 15 लाख रुपए दे रहा हूँ, the minimum salary that I should get is 15 लाख रुपीज़.
Correct.
ये इससे मेरा ROI 1:1 हो गया. तो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज ये मेंटेन करने में दे आर प्रिटी मच सक्सेसफुल इन द IT सेक्टर. सिविल इंजीनियर्स को उतनी सैलरी नहीं मिलती है, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर्स को उतनी नहीं मिलती है. 1 या 2 ऐसे इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं इंडिया में जो 1:1 का ROI मेंटेन करती है कि अगर आपसे कॉलेज 25 लाख रुपए मांग रहा है 2 साल के कोर्स के, लाइक एन MBA कॉलेज, तो वो आपको 25 लाख रुपए की प्लेसमेंट 1:1 में प्रोवाइड करके दे देगा. वॉट इज़ द सिनेरियो ऑफ द हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री? लाइक वॉट इज़ द प्लेसमेंट्स, वॉट इज़ द एवरेज वैल्यू इन LPA इफ़ यू कैन टेल मी, एंड वॉट इज़ द कोर्स? तो पहली बात तो मुझे खर्चा कितना करना है, और 4 साल का कोर्स करने के बाद मेरा कितना खर्चा होगा, और 4 साल के बाद मुझे जॉब कौन सी लगेगी, और उसमें मुझे सैलरी कितनी मिलेगी स्टार्टिंग.
चलिए पहले तो आपको मैं ये बता दूं कि ये कोर्स होता क्या है. एक बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसा है कि इसने हॉस्पिटैलिटी या होटल मैनेजमेंट किया है तो ये खाना ही बनाएगा.
पहला तो वही आंसर
कि जब मेरे साथ भी हुआ है कि अगर मैंने किसी को बोल दिया मैं होटल मैनेजमेंट कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ,
क्या बनाना सीखा है? नहीं, दैट इज नॉट द थिंग. वी लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स.
Right.
सो आई जस्ट गिव यू अ ब्रीफ आइडिया कि होटल मैनेजमेंट में होता क्या है.
हाँ,
इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ पर्सन दैट इज स्माइलिंग एट यू,
राइट,
from the person that is greeting you, from the person that is helping you to where to sit or guides you where to sit. Then he takes care of your room. Is your room good enough? That is another department. Then there is a person that serves your food. Then there is a person that makes your food. Then there is a person that takes care of all the people. That is your HR.
right,
Then there is a person that takes care of my food from the store to my kitchen.
right,
Procurement manager. Then there is a whole general manager. So a lot of departments are there when you do a hotel management.
right.
It's about learning management rather than just hotels.
Okay,
We as a hotel management graduate, we have an option to go into any industry right now, whatever I just mentioned. I can go into HR, I can go into accounts, I can go into sales, I can go into marketing, I can go into my 4 core domain areas, that is housekeeping, front office, food production and F&B service.
F&B service.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a food and beverage.
Food and beverage service. Can I pursue my career in anywhere of this? Yes. Because I have done my graduation, I have understood the ABCD of a management.
Right,
So me myself, I have done my post-graduation in culinary arts.
culinary arts.
Arts
Okay,
specifically because I wanted to become a chef. I wanted to become a better chef with the knowledge. So my ABCDs were clear. When I went to my post-graduation, I could learn the pronouns. I could learn the nouns. I could learn the adjectives. I could learn the different grammatical things that you
you
have.
go into more depth of the
More
same
depth
industry.
of the same industry.
Right,
So I have post-graduation in culinary arts. There is somebody that can do the post-graduation in finance.
right.
There can somebody can do a post-graduation in HR.
HR but pertaining to hotel management, and then finance but pertaining to hotel management.
Hotel management stops there
After your graduation.
because again, every operation works on ground. If you're hotel management person, but then if I want to get into the management later, I want to go up in the hierarchy.
Right,
I need to know how does each department works intercoordinately.
right.
If I do not know how does my accounts work,
Hmm.
I will just stick to cooking the food.
Right, right, right.
If I do not know how does a procurement work, I will just stick to peeling onions.
So the more overall understanding you have of that industry gives
Yes.
you the better opportunity for a career growth.
Career growth.
Correct.
Now coming back to your ROI, how is my ROI here?
Yeah.
There are a lot of colleges who market themselves as they give you this, they give you that, XYZ, and then they charge you. That is happening everywhere. Marketing. In every product, there is marketing happening. There is a burger company, for example, who has a very huge poster. I'll not mention the name, but very huge posters of burgers. But when you go into a lab testing of that same burger, that burger is not even getting fungus. Forget about getting spoiling.
Okay.
Because there is no bacteria there where it can spoil.
Right.
That is the level of marketing that they are keeping their burgers as very premium.
Right.
So marketing happens.
But sir, marketing a burger which you're gonna eat one time and marketing somebody a course that they're gonna spend 5 or 10 years of their life, and false marketing on top of that, to false market your course, to false promise the kid who's 18 years old that we are gonna give you A, B, C, D's of the career options, and then not being able to deliver. Are we not putting people into a very black hole in that after spending 5 years, when they come to reality and they are doing a 16-hour shift, what will they think? Yaar, could I not have done better than this?
A burger company is selling you to make their business, to make money. A hotel management school or college is also there to make money.
Okay.
That is first thing. Everybody in a business sector is there to make money. Now, how do I make better money?
By better marketing.
By better marketing. I'm not telling every colleges out here does this, but most of the colleges, they get a celebrity. They show you a celebrity.
Okay.
And a student sometimes does not even meet that celebrity for upcoming next 3 years or 4 years.
Yeah.
Now, the marketing was done. As a student, as a 18-year-old,
Okay, as a student, I'm thinking that, okay, I'm going to learn from Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor.
Yes.
I'm going to learn from Ranveer Brar.
Correct.
But when I walk into the college, that was just for like one event for 5 minutes. He just spoke to the entire college for 5 minutes and he went away. So what did I get to learn? But do you think people are that like...
At that age, sir, at 18,
Right.
at 18 or 19,
Yeah.
if I'm seeing something, I get excited.
Yes.
I go there.
People believe it very easily.
People believe very easily.
Huh.
And coming, do the parents know everything? No, sometimes they do not know everything. They know maybe few, they have heard few stories that okay, अगर ये बेटा शेफ बन गया या क्रूज पे चले गया तो ये अच्छे पैसे कमा सकता है.
हाँ.
Cruise is one place that you can earn a good amount of money.
Okay.
So उनको वो दिख जाता है, but वो प्रोसेस क्रूज तक पहुंचने तक,
हाँ.
that's a huge process. Again,
Yeah.
you need 2 years of experience.
Yeah.
You need an industrial training in between. A 18-year-old might break down in industrial training only.
Okay.
Like when you go into industrial training, they give you a lot of jobs.
Yeah.
It starts with 50 kgs of peeling onions, for example.
हाँ.
Now, 18-year-old was thinking about, okay, I will be on the pass counter, I will be plating, I would be doing, wearing a white chef coat, white cap, and everything when I go into a hotel. But when the same intern is giving a job of peeling onions, the morale breaks down.
Right.
They do not want to go through the process of, from peeling onions, I might be able to process the onions one day, then I will be able to plate the onions one day. It is a process. Nobody wants to do that. Everybody wants to reach the top. They are competing themselves to somebody that is already in the industry from past 20 years.
Okay.
Like but compare yourself to that same person when he was at year 1.
हाँ.
He or the same chef has gone through the same process of the same.
उन्होंने भी कभी ना कभी तो वो
हर
50
किसी ने,
किलो अनियंस
आप रणवीर बरार को ही अगर पूछ लो, रणवीर बरार का स्टोरी आज सबको पसंद है.
हाँ.
रणवीर बरार ने लखनऊ में जाके 8 साल 9 साल लोकल ईटरीज में उन्होंने काम किया है, लंगर में काम किया है, उन्होंने कहाँ काम नहीं किया है, ताकि अब जाके आज वो जब बोलते हैं, अपना एक्सपीरियंस जब शेयर करते हैं, he is able to share very nicely because he has worked that much, he has made that many mistakes that he can share his experience with you.
Yeah.
You are comparing yourself to him at your current stage.
I think that is like a lot of people do and they get it so wrong, that you are comparing your first year of doing something to somebody's 20th year of doing something.
Correct.
You can't be better. Don't even try. it's not even a comparison. You're trying to compare, and you're all the joy of pursuing your course and working at a really good company or a hotel in this case, it goes away. तो पूरा जो उसकी खुशी रहती है ना वो ख़त्म हो जाती है बिकॉज आप कंपेयर कर रहे हो. Somebody, I know that there are thousands of people who are 28 years old, they're making more money than me.
Correct.
If I start comparing myself on the list of all the 28-year-olds, I'm gonna stand like below millions of people. But I can't compare and then walk out of my house happy. I have to compare that, okay, what I was doing yesterday, what am I doing today? Can I learn from both of that? Can I do better something tomorrow? इससे ज़्यादा लाइफ साइकिल रहती नहीं है.
Chalo, I'll ask you a simple question now.
Yeah,
You told that there are a lot of people who are making a lot of better money at 28 than you.
yeah.
Now tell me how many people are there who are making less money than you at 28?
Again a lot.
Again, a lot.
बहुत
So we never focus on them, that from where did we start and where did we reach.
हाँ, हमेशा वेंटेज पॉइंट कंपैरिजन पॉइंट हम टॉप से देखते हैं.
ऊपर से करते हैं ना.
हाँ,
आप
नीचे से करो
नीचे से भी करना शुरू करो तो आप अपने आप को देखो कि अरे मैं कहाँ तक पहुंच चुका ऑलरेडी,
कि मैं नीचे से कितना ऊपर आ चुका
ऊपर आ
हूँ.
चुका हूँ.
वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. एक
Yes,
थोड़ा
that-
हम्बल रहना चाहिए कि यार मैं नीचे से यहाँ तक आ चुका हूँ, यहाँ से आगे और जाना है,
और
बट
जाना
यहाँ तक आ चुका हूँ.
करेक्ट.
दैट इज़ सो स्वीट. सो पीपल, ओके टेल मी, अगर मैं कॉलेज में हूँ, मैंने ये चारों डिवीजन जो आपने बताया मैंने वो सारे सीख लिए, मैं कंपनीज में बैठा हूँ, हाउ कैन आई ईजीली गेट द जॉब? लाइक कंपनीज आती है कॉलेज में, आई नो हाउ इट वर्क्स इन इंजीनियरिंग. तो व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वे कि मैं कॉलेज में कैंपस आने का वेट करूँ, कि मैं इंटर्नशिप्स करूँ समर या विंटर में और मैं वहाँ पे जाके अपना नेटवर्क बनाऊँ, मैं किसी मैनेजर से रिलेशनशिप अच्छे बनाऊँ, या फिर जब मैं ग्रेजुएट हो गया हूँ तो मैं खुद जाके जॉब पे अप्लाई करूँ? व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट वे टू गेट द जॉब वेरी फास्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री?
Okay, so when you're doing a hotel management, you get your first time experience into a hotel industry in your second year. That is your introduction. Ki how does this place works? Am I eligible to be here at this place? That is understanding of your hotel. Now coming to the job part, that you have already understood in the internship period. Okay, yeah, this is one of my department that I would like to work under. But a department cannot work with the support of without the support of another department. So when a campus comes in, like say I've appeared for food production or becoming a chef, I would be asked questions to what happens with my food after it is gone out.
Right.
What happens with the food before it is coming to me? First step is the food is coming to me, then only I'm able to prepare.
Right.
Then my food, once it is prepared, it is going out to somebody else till before it reaches the guest. So I need to know the steps before this part. I need to know the steps before this part, and that is where I get into a management training program.
Okay.
Now that is a program which helps you to speed up your career. If you are able to see yourself as a assistant manager within 8 years, with an MT program you might be able to see yourself as a manager within 4 to 5 years, because you skip a lot of steps. You know this part, you know this part,
Right.
so you are clear with the concept of taking up responsibilities.
Right.
Now, an MT program works the best. I'm not telling you cannot find a job on your own. It would just slow down the process of you becoming whatever you want to become. That's it. An MT program helps you to skip certain steps. That's all happens. You can find a job. You can just enter a restaurant, small restaurant, and tell them that, okay, yes, I want to work. But will that be good on your resume?
Yeah.
That is what you have to look after. If your purpose is to just learn the job, you can become Ranveer Brar, go to Lucknow, learn and come out.
Okay.
Then you do not tell ki my resume looks bad.
Right.
If work is the purpose, if a good resume is the purpose, you better stick to a management training program, finish that, then switch to another company.
Right. Makes sense. I'll name few professions of this industry and I want you to just tell me their starting salaries. Okay. Waiter.
22 to 20, 30.
Okay.
Also depending upon what kind of organization that you're going under.
Okay. So waiter at a 5-star hotel.
22 to 30.
30.
Yeah.
Assistant chef.
20 to 25.
Housekeeping.
Again 20 to 25.
Cleaner.
Cleaner specifically, we do not have anybody as a cleaner.
Okay.
We have one department that is housekeeping, that is just mentioned. 20 to 25.
And then your like the operational managers.
Everybody starts with the range of 20 to 30.
20 to 30 पूरा industry का standard
Industry
range.
standard if it is a good reputed hotel.
And then if I'm talking about the milestones, so you're starting at let's say 25 across everything. The average comes out at 25. How do you go from there? From 25 after 5 years, how far you can reach?
So from when you start at 25, you get into a management training program. They train you in every department. No matter you are selected to become a chef, but they will still put you into a housekeeping department. They will still put you into a even KST department for like where you washed all the vessels. They will put you there. They will put you into procurement. They will put you into every department that hotel has.
ठीक है.
Once that training program is done of 2 years, what happens is then they check your ability of what are your good strengths,
Okay.
and then they place you up after that training to an assistant manager role
Okay.
somewhere. So it comes down to 35-40 after that training program.
After 3 years, it becomes 35. 40.
After 2 years, it becomes
After
35,
2 years,
40.
okay, it becomes 40.
Yeah.
And then after 5 years,
The more responsibilities you keep on taking,
फिर then it is entirely a personal career
personal
growth,
career growth.
where you and I are both at the job. I'm really shitty, so I can be at 40 for the next 3 years. You're really great. You're really quick, like you can understand your industry better. जैसे जैसे आप उसको understand करते हो, you can go to 50s and 60s. Can you break a 12 figure mark before you are 30? लाइक 12 लाख जो एक 12 फिगर इंडिया में एक रिस्पेक्टेबल जो एक मुझे लगता है कि 12 लाख पे अगर आप हो तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन पे हो आप फैमिली शुरू करने के लिए. 12 लाख इज़ द बेयर मिनिमम हो चुका है अभी अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑल द एक्सपेंसेस एंड ऑल द रिपोर्ट्स. 10 से 12 लाख पे अगर आप हो, कैन समबडी गो टू 12 लाख रुपीज़ बाय 30 बाय द एज ऑफ 30?
Sometimes they can, sometimes they cannot. Again, I'll tell you very clearly how does this industry works. Hospitality, it comes from within. It's like
ओके.
the more skill that I have about this human, or like hospitality, the words, it comes from a place, hospital.
ओके.
What do you get in a hospital? Care, nourishment, personal touch, everything that you need there.
या.
So when I'm doing into hospitality industry, if I put my skills, my interest, my everything there to provide you comfort,
राइट.
I will grow better. Now that is again an individual trait.
It is a very personal thing that
Very.
how does a person understands persons.
Person.
Right.
So there can be a bracket that okay, I will earn 12 figures after 30 years.
Right.
But not everybody understand that I am into a hospitality industry. Everybody thinks that okay, it's a transaction. I'm coming here to do a job. I get home.
I think some professions are more than that.
Hospitality specifically it is on that. Hospitality.
हाँ.
If it is service, like we spoke about an example, quick service restaurant and a fine dining restaurant.
Right.
It's in the name.
It's in the name.
Quick service. All I want is food from you. Nothing else.
From a fine dining, you will expect something more.
Something more.
You will expect like your table to be better. You will expect your cloths to be a premium
You will
quality
expect
cloth.
personal touch.
Right.
You
How
will
did they make you feel when you left that hotel?
Yes.
Correct. That is so important. That somebody, like let's say somebody who's working in IT or they are working in like my field construction. All we are doing is we are on the site, we are in the mud. अब मैं अगर 2 दिन के लिए छुट्टी बुक करके जा रहा हूँ एक होटल में, how the hotel people make me feel after am I feeling more relaxed than I came in or am I feeling more troubled?
Correct.
So for somebody who's going out, how does a hotel make me feel is very much important for me as a consumer personally, and that's why I have the utmost respect to people who are making sure that I feel good.
Correct.
I took 2 holidays this year. One was before my marriage in Dubai, one was after my marriage in Bali with my wife. The Dubai holiday and the Bali holiday, majority of my time with my friends also, with my wife also, I was booking only luxury villas or a luxury hotel where I get breakfast, where I get good services. I'm fine with not going out of the hotel as long as the hotel is making me feel good.
Correct.
I've gotten this चस्का maybe कि अब मैं अगर कोई कंट्री कोई दूसरी कंट्री जाता हूँ, I've been to the UK also, मैं कोई कंट्री जाता हूँ वहाँ पे मुझे उनके होटल्स देखना है कि वो होटल में मैं कितना प्रीमियम फील कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज दैट इज आई एम गोइंग टू लिव देयर
Correct.
फॉर 3 days. Can they make me feel comfortable more than my home?
Correct.
And I can have that experience. So tell me about that what goes into teaching this for somebody as a consumer who loves to feel at home when they are at a hotel, what goes into the teaching of this कि आप as a teacher क्या समझाते हो इस mindset के बारे में, and how should our customer feel, the feel part as you said about the fine dining, about these gourmet restaurants, about the food, about the presentation of the wine glasses and the gin glasses, it's very different, the whole you know, a whole culture. How do you teach that to somebody ki this is something that we need our customers to feel?
Again, like I said, we do not teach humans to be humans.
Okay,
We teach them what are the things you can do
right,
in order to become a good human in this industry.
okay,
Then, after a point of time, they themselves start to adapt to it. They bring their own initiatives, they bring their own strengths into this, they bring their own values into it, and then they add it to top it up with the same food. Like, for example, we do a service of we just now in my current institute, we do a weekly. They open up a fine dining restaurant for 1 week, completely run by students,
okay,
completely from scratch to final billing to taking care of the place. We even charge rentals
okay,
so that they get the reality check of this world.
yeah,
Now they are supposed to find their own customers. They are supposed to find their own vendors.
wow,
They are supposed to even invest of their own.
okay,
Like your problem, your restaurant, everything is yours. Our job was to teach you within first 2 years, and then in the final year we judge you whatever you learned.
right,
That's a dissertation project for them. Now within that we also tend to observe
right.
what did you do right, what did you do wrong.
So आप ऐसे कस्टमर बन के जाते हो किसी आपके
एज अ कस्टमर हम बन के जाते हैं, एज अ रिव्यूअर हम बन के जाते हैं, एज अ ऑब्जर्वर भी हम कभी कभी वहाँ पे खड़े रहते हैं
करेक्ट,
कि 1 घंटे तक हमने किसने क्या किया किसने क्या नहीं किया. Then when we have a debriefing, we start to discuss, okay, this person, XYZ person did this mistake.
हाँ,
That mistake is getting learned by everyone.
करेक्ट, हाँ,
And then we give them ideas of what you can do. There are certain subjects which has situation handling. Like there have been situations like in law we do this case was fought in Allahabad court and this was the result. Even we have situations similarly like that.
लीगल एस्केलेशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं इसमें कि
Legals भी होते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि
जैसे आपने बोला कि एक कोर्ट का केस था, उसका एग्जांपल देके आप किसी को समझा रहे हो, तो इतना भी प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाते हैं कि लीगल एस्केलेशन आप पे हुआ और केसेस हो
सर,
गए
एक
लोगों,
बाल अगर आ जाए आपके खाने में ना,
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
आपको
वहाँ
नहीं
से भी
पसंद।
यू आर बाउंड फॉर लीगल एक्शन.
you have a smell of fish into something, smell of it, not even a product.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
People start to complain
राइट, करेक्ट,
because again you are playing
अगेन
with-
उनका एक्सपीरियंस खराब हो
खराब
गया,
होगा.
करेक्ट, वाओ,
So this is I can teach you a standard that okay,
हाँ.
this is supposed to be done.
हाँ.
But when I face you, I have to see what is your current mood. I tell this thing, आपके गुड मॉर्निंग के टोन से मेरे को समझना पड़ेगा कि आपका मूड कैसा है.
हाँ,
तब मैं आपको पूछूंगा कि आपने कल रात को सोए कैसा है या आपको अभी आज सिर्फ ब्रेकफास्ट करने का है.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट,
आपके गुड मॉर्निंग के टोन से.
हाँ हाँ.
नहीं तो मेरा काम ही क्या है फिर, तो एक रोबोट भी आपको आके खाना
ये
देगा.
आई थिंक आई वाज टॉकिंग टू वन ऑफ माय अदर गेस्ट्स ऑन अ प्रीवियस एपिसोड एंड वी टॉक्ड अबाउट कि 2 तरीके के लोग होते हैं. आप किसी कैफे में जाओ तो एक होता है जो ऐसे बोलता है गुड मॉर्निंग, क्या ला दूँ मैं. दूसरा होता है कि हेलो हाउ आर यू, गुड मॉर्निंग. द वे दैट पर्सन ग्रीट्स, मेरा खाने का मन कर जाता है
करेक्ट.
कि यार इस बंदे ने जो इज्जत से मुझे पूछा है ना, प्लीज़ मुझे कुछ अच्छा खिला दे. तो वो जो एक कंज्यूमर का एक माइंडसेट बन जाता है, यू हैव टू टैकल दैट ऑल्सो. I went to this, I waitered at this fine dining gourmet place in the UK, and because of my eating preferences, I don't know a lot about non-vegetarian food. I know some things. I know about chicken, mutton, eggs, fish. थोड़ा बहुत मेरे को पता है नाम. Salmon, I know what it is. I don't know like in depth things. So
Yeah.
I was at a place where they had 7 pieces of cutlery,
Okay.
3 sets of forks and knives, and the 7th was a dessert.
Spoon.
So the way you place that, it was also, they were teaching that also. So the event was supposed to start at 4 o'clock. We were there at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning. It was my full 12-hour shift. From 6 to 6, I was supposed to set the venue up. I was not supposed to serve. So I'm setting up the cloth. तो क्लॉथ कितना टेबल के नीचे जाएगा, कौन सा फोर्क का शेप के हिसाब से आप उसको वहाँ रखोगे. सर मैंने उस जॉब पे, मैं 1 हफ्ते तक के वहाँ पे गया, डेली हमको ये करना था. मैंने उस जॉब के पहले दिन कम से कम 2000 चम्मच सिर्फ साफ़ किए. चम्मच और जो ये रहते हैं फोर्क्स और नाइफ्स, आई वॉज जस्ट क्लीनिंग फोर्क्स एंड नाइफ्स.
That's a job.
दे वर आउट ऑफ द डिशवॉशर, लेमन वाटर से कुछ सिट्रस डिटर्जेंट
acidic.
से उसे साफ करते हैं, वो क्लीन हो जाता है. बट इफ़ यू डोंट क्लीन इट विद अ क्लॉथ, इट विल लीव द वाटर स्टेन ऑन इट. तो वो इतना डिटेल था कि रोहित, यू हैव टू क्लीन 2000 spoons. None of them should have a stain or a watermark after that. That's the job, as you said. And the entire day of my 12-hour shift, I was just cleaning. वो 2,000 उसने मेरे को बोला, तू गाना सुन, तू टीवी देख, तू कुछ भी कर. I was in the back, nobody was watching me. You just have to clean the spoons. तो इट वॉज सो क्रेजी. लाइक मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था कि कौन सा फोर्क और कौन से तरीके की नाइफ किस चीज़ को खाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इज समथिंग दैट, एंड ऑब्वियसली द केटरिंग ऑफ दैट प्लेस was arguably like 100 pounds a plate. So when you are charging 100 pounds, that is like 10,000 rupees for somebody who doesn't know. 10,000 rupees for a portion of food for your 4-course meal. You have to just be on the top of your game.
So you did not charge for the food, I'll tell you that. You charge for the experience.
The experience.
You charge for, if I touch this spoon, will this be spick and span?
Right.
You charge for that. You did not charge for the food. Food was a byproduct of the services that you're providing.
Right.
It's like the exclusivity what I will feel. For you, it might be just cleaning up the spoons.
Yeah.
But for the guest, it was the most important product that he was taking that food and eating it from. If that spoon was not clean,
Correct.
it would have spoiled the chef's hard work, the procurement person's hard work,
Wow.
the
Yeah.
organizer team hard
One
work.
little thing you do wrong.
One
and-
little small.
Yeah.
For you, it was a very small job. I'll tell you that. While you were doing, you were just chilling and doing it less.
Right.
But imagine as a guest now, if you're sitting there, if that spoon has one drop of stain,
Right.
what is your experience now? You will just start to question, I paid 10,000 rupees for this and I'm getting a stain on my spoon.
Right. Right.
You will not see all the 99 good things that that person has offered.
Yeah.
But you will focus on one stain and then the whole experience is gone.
Yeah.
So it's a teamwork.
Right.
Like you contributed to cleaning up the spoons. A chef contributed for preparing that food. Another person contributed to get that food.
Right.
So your contribution was very important. We might not feel it, but that is one of the most important. Now, none of the jobs in this industry are ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि बिना काम के हम कर रहे हैं कुछ.
हाँ.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ऐसा
हमको-
लगता है लोगों को.
लगता है
People
लोगों को.
perceive it like that. I think as Indians, we are a very ungrateful and thankless people.
Yes.
There are hundreds, if not thousands, of people who are working day in and day out to construct the society that we are living in.
Correct.
I'm talking about, I'm talking about the person who sweeps your streets. I'm talking about the person who cleans your gutters. I'm talking about the person who cleans your utensils at your home. I'm talking about the person who grows food for you. We are so ungrateful to them. We are so unthankful to them. If you have to give out a message, what would you tell that? How can we do more for these people? Like, I know I agree with you that it can't be taught, but something better should be done. Like, when I travel a bus in the UK, everybody who gets off the bus, they thank the driver. अपने नहीं है कल्चर, हम लोग नहीं करते. हम हमारे बस ड्राइवर को थैंक यू नहीं बोलते हैं. हम उनसे आँख भी नहीं मिलाते. आई मीन पोलाइटली बस से उतरते उतरते जस्ट इफ़ यू लुक एट द ड्राइवर, थैंक यू मैन, बिकॉज वो आपको सेफली पहुँचा रहा है वहाँ पे. सो और हम ब्लेम उनको बहुत जल्दी कर देते हैं. अगर वो रैश ड्राइविंग करते हैं, हम इतने जल्दी हम किसी को ब्लेम करते हैं, बट जो हमारे लिए पूरी दिन भर मेहनत करके दे डू अ थैंकफुल जॉब फॉर अस, वी आर नॉट ग्रेटफुल टू देम. what could, like, because you are in that industry of making people feel welcome, how can we do more for the people who do things for us?
If you want to check if that job is not important, tell that person to take a leave for 1 week.
Ha.
And then you will realize how important is that job for you.
Right.
Like a maid does not come, shows up for 2 days or even 1 day. Our mothers or our family members, they are like, ये बर्तन कौन धोएगा, ये वो कौन
I
करेगा.
know.
They go into panic mode.
Ha.
So just in case we want to make somebody realize,
Ha.
take off that privilege.
Right.
कि one day or you start to do that job. I teach my students like this. If you are in my shoes, what would you do?
Right.
Just be in that shoes and start to feel.
That is like the true sense of empathy, where you are actually in somebody's shoes and you are looking things from their perspective. So I heard this quote somewhere. It says, if you want to teach people patriotism, make them work in an army for 2 years. If you want to teach them sense of service, make them work in the service industry for 2 years.
Correct.
Forget all your
That's
graduations
very
and
true,
all those things. Just make them work. एक कोई भी इंसान है ना, कितने भी अमीर इंसान का बेटा हो, उसको 2 साल आर्मी और उसको 2 साल किसी को सर्व करने बोलो, उसको कोई भी चीज़ की सर्विस देने बोलो.
It breaks down you. It will break down all your attitude, all your ego, everything that you ever had. It will make you such a humble person
हाँ
that you will find a person that has just lifted something and given it to you. You will start thanking them
हाँ हाँ हाँ
because while you were doing it, there was nobody to pick that up. While I was working, like say for example, where you were cleaning your spoons.
हाँ
If there was one person that was handing spoons to you, you would have been so thankful कि ये मेरे को गर्म पानी से निकाल के वही तो दे रहा है.
दे रहा है. करेक्ट. वाओ.
लेकिन वही चीज़ आप जब खुद कर रहे थे, आपको रियलाइज हुआ कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये चीज़. मतलब
Right.
हर बार गर्म पानी में हाथ डालना, उसके बाद चमचे को निकालना, फिर उसको क्लीन एकदम वाइप करना ताकि एक भी दाग ना आए. सो सर्विस इंडस्ट्री ब्रेक्स यू डाउन. आपके सामने जो भी आएगा ना, आप उसको कभी बिना क्या बोलते हैं ना, यू हैव टू बी हम्बल.
पूरा घमंड खत्म हो जाता
पूरा
है.
घमंड खत्म.
और मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस इंडस्ट्री में जनरली मुझे लगता है कि घमंडी लोगों के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है.
जगह नहीं.
अगर आप होटल के ओनर भी हो, वहाँ से आप होटल के सबसे लास्ट बस बॉय भी हो जिसकी आज ही प्लेसमेंट हुई है, अगर आप घमंडी हो तो फिर तो कस्टमर आपके पास में नहीं आने
आप
वाला.
काम के लिए हो ना सर. आप एक पॉडकास्ट ही कर लो फॉर
हाँ.
एग्जाम्पल, क्या आप अपने कैमरामैन के साथ बदतमीजी कर सकते हो?
वही तो.
बिकॉज अगर वो नहीं करेगा अपना काम, अगर आपने उसके साथ बदतमीजी कर दिया, वो अपना काम नहीं किया, आपका काम, आपका पॉडकास्ट कहाँ चलने वाला है?
सर मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं 4 कंट्री घुमा हूँ और इंडिया में तो मैं 28 साल रहा हूँ पूरे. बाकी तो कंट्री में घूमने गया था. पर मुझे लगता है कि हम लोग सबसे ज़्यादा बदतमीज़ लोग हैं. अगर हम पकड़े ना, हमें उतना वेंटेज पॉइंट है नहीं वर्ल्ड में, बट हम बदतमीज़ पहले हो गए. मतलब हम सक्सेसफुल हो सकता है कि बाद में होंगे, हम बदतमीज़ पहले हो गए. मतलब and this is not, I'm not talking about all Indians, but I'm talking about most Indians and enough Indians that create it
As an image, as
हाँ,
that
it
created
is
this-
so wrong यार. बड़े बदतमीज लोग हैं ना.
सर एक कहावत भी है ना कि बुरी चीज़ें पहले दिखती है और अच्छी चीज़ें दिखती नहीं है.
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं कि इंडिया में अच्छे लोग नहीं है.
हाँ करेक्ट.
जैसे कल मैं अपनी जर्नी में ही देख रहा था, एक जेंटलमैन मिले थे मेरे को, बहुत प्यार से उन्होंने इतना सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन पूछा मेरे से.
हाँ
फिर उनको मैंने वो बोला, उनका एक वो था कि एक कम्युनिटी के लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनती होते हैं, दूसरे कम्युनिटी के लोग बहुत ज़्यादा आलसी होते हैं. तो जिनको वो आलसी बोल रहे थे, शायद मैं उस कम्युनिटी से था, और जिनको वो मेहनती बोल रहे थे, दूसरा आदमी उस कम्युनिटी से था.
हाँ
मतलब हम दोनों मेहनती है.
हाँ हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं कि वो कम्युनिटी गलत है. जस्ट दैट योर परसेप्शन हैज़ बीन मेड दैट दिस कम्युनिटी इज नॉट डूइंग इट. इट इज़ द पर्सन दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. इट इज़ नॉट द कम्युनिटी दैट इज द
मुझे लगता
प्रॉब्लम.
है ये हर बार इंडिविजुअली रहता है.
हाँ.
ऐसा नहीं, मैं कभी भी ये नहीं मानता हूँ कि यार इंजीनियर्स कम काम करते हैं,
Correct.
डॉक्टर्स ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, आर्मी वाले बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं. सब अपना अपना रोल निभाते हैं, सब अपना अपना काम करते हैं. बट आप जो बोल रहे हो कि लोगों का पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो जाता है कि यार मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये वाली इस काम में क्या ही मेहनत होगी. ये बहुत ही अनग्रेटफुल चीज़ है बोलने के लिए कि यार सामने वाले के काम को तुम बोल रहे हो कि उसने 20-20 साल दे दिए उस करियर को, और आप कह रहे हो कि इसमें क्या ही मेहनत होती होगी. तो आप कर लो, आप एक दिन करके देखो सामने वाले का काम. तो बिकॉज यू हैव अ डिफरेंट स्किल देन यू रिस्पेक्ट अदर स्किल्स लेस.
Or if you have worked in that skill and then you have upgraded yourself, then you start to respect even more.
Yes.
Ki okay, this is an important job. Like for you right now, if I ask you how important a job is to wipe a spoon,
Right.
because you have done it.
हाँ.
If you haven't done it,
तो मैं कितनी भी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर सकता हूँ.
बिकॉज घर पे आपके स्पून हमेशा धुल रहा था.
घर में तो हाँ, यही बहुत लोगों को ना, आई थिंक लाइक वन मोर थिंग दैट वी शुड, आई डोंट नो इफ यू अग्री विद दिस, people in the West start earning when they are 16.
16.
Indians start earning when they are 23,
On
22, 23. If you have to like graduate and all that. So we are about 7 years late to get to the mud.
average.
हम मिट्टी में उतर ही नहीं रहे. मतलब हम 23 साल तक हम पैम्पर ही हो रहे हैं. मदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स घर
Grandmothers,
पे एंड
yes.
ग्रैमीज, ऑल दोज पीपल. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि मतलब ब्रिटिश बच्चों की मम्मी उनको पैम्पर नहीं करती है, इंडियन बच्चों की मम्मी उनको कुछ सिखाती नहीं है. वो लोग एक्सट्रीमिज्म में ले लेते हैं. बट वी आर 7 years लेट टू गो टू वर्क एज व्हाट आई थिंक. वी शुड गो टू वर्क एट 16. Because when we do 2 years worth of work, now that we are 18, now that we vote, our votes will be already better. Because हमने काम किया है जाके, so we know what to expect from our leaders in those 2 years. जो आपका 18 साल का जो वोटर है सर, उसको तो नहीं पता है कि कंट्री कैसे चल रही है इंडिया में, क्योंकि वो ग्रेजुएट ही नहीं हुआ है, उसको पता ही नहीं है काम, क्योंकि आपने उसको काम पे ही नहीं भेजा. And somebody, as you said, because we belittle people, somebody who's an engineer, but as a summer job they are doing a bartender, they don't mind in the West. We mind it a lot. अब मुझे नहीं लगता कि माई ओन फादर वुड हैव अलाउड मी कि तू इंजीनियरिंग कर रहा है ना, समर में जा और जा ड्रिंक्स बना के आ जा किसी के बारे में जाके. मुझे मिल रहे थे 10,000, 2 महीने के लिए मुझे सिर्फ 10,000 मिल रहे थे, मई और ऊपर मेरे को जाने नहीं देते.
Correct.
तो वी आर लेट टू वर्क फॉर 7 years. That is also a factor that we are late, like getting successful late.
Correct. We in our houses only, what happens is, say if we want food, we just shout, "Mama, khana chahiye."
हाँ
Now my mama will make the thali and serve it to me.
हाँ
Now that is my mother's love. This was very good. But one day in a week, if my mother tells me कि आज तू सबको खाना देगा, that will bring me responsibility.
right.
That does not happen. For me, it can start with my own house. Pampering, if it stops, I will learn the responsibility within the house only.
Right.
लेकिन वो चीज़ होता नहीं है.
हाँ
रही बात काम की, हम बच्चों को काम करना प्रेफर ही नहीं करते. ऐसा है कि हमने बच्चे को पाला तो हम उसको सब कुछ प्रोवाइड करेंगे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
फिर आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि बच्चा 30 साल के बाद सब कुछ अपने आप कर ले. नहीं, आपने उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दिया ना गलती करने का. आप गलती करने उसको मौका तो
हाँ
दो.
हाँ हाँ
वो मौका आप दोगे नहीं, आप उसके बाद एक्सपेक्ट करो कि भाई तू पैसे कमा के घर पे लेकर.
राइट.
Let them fail. See, failure is something which teaches you a lot rather than lecturing. Internet is full of, what do you call it, all the good quotes, all the motivational quotes and everything.
हाँ
But do we ever learn?
नहीं, उससे कुछ नहीं सीखते सर. वो
कुछ नहीं सीखते.
जब तक आप मड में उतर के काम नहीं करोगे और आपको कोई डांटेगा नहीं ना. जिसने 30 साल 35 साल काम किया, वो इंसान जब तक आपको डांटता नहीं है ना कोई चीज़ करने के लिए, तब तक तो आप बहुत कम सीखते हो.
Correct. तो वो गलती करने को छोड़ना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
हाँ,
कि गिरो.
खुला छोड़ो और गिरो. हम
क्या है ना, हैंड होल्डिंग हमारे इसमें बहुत है.
हाँ, ऐसे स्मॉदर करके रख देते हैं. मतलब
Correct.
कि 25 साल का हो गया, मतलब इमेजिन करो कि 26 साल का कोई बंदा है, उसकी शादी भी हो गई,
Correct.
उसको अब बेबी भी हो गया, उस बेबी को भी वो ग्रैमी संभाल रही है.
Exactly.
उस ग्रैमी के भरोसे तुम बच्चे कर रहे हो.
Like current institute where I work,
हाँ.
Symbiosis, my director has this sentence he keeps on saying to the parents: cut the umbilical cord.
Right.
Even at 18, 19, if you are guiding the student, then you expect that person to be responsible. No, you are hand holding at every single step. The parents decide where the students will go on internship.
हाँ
The parents decide that okay, he will stay in a hostel or he will stay outside. So he has this word which I really enjoy: cut the umbilical cord.
राइट.
Go.
खुला छोड़ दो.
खुला छोड़ दो. क्या करेगा? गलती करेगा ना.
हाँ.
आज भी वही कर रहा है.
हाँ, किसी से
अगर-
डांट खा के ही घर आएगा ना. खाने दो ना डांट.
खाने दो.
आप भी डांट ही दोगे कभी ना
लेकिन
कभी.
इंडिया में वैसा नहीं होता है. इंडिया में अगर आप कोई और गलती भी कर देना, हमारी मम्मी हमको एक थप्पड़ लगा देगी पहले कि तू बाहर गया ही क्यों.
हाँ
अरे मैं जाऊंगा नहीं तो मेरे को मालूम कैसे पड़ेगा सही और गलत क्या है.
करेक्ट.
मेरे को जाने तो दो पहले.
राइट.
तो वो चीज़ यहाँ पे होता नहीं है. आई थिंक वो अगर शुरू हो जाए एक बार के लिए कि वी अलाउ पीपल टू डू मिस्टेक्स, वी कैन स्टार्ट अर्निंग फ्रॉम 16, 17 ओनली. आई टेल यू दैट बिकॉज एज इंडियंस वी आर वेरी शार्प.
हाँ
We know a lot of things. We observe a lot of things, but we never do it.
हाँ करते नहीं हम लोग.
करते नहीं. हमको ऐसा लगता है यार क्या करेंगे.
हाँ
हमारे घर पे है, हम सब कुछ करके मिल रहा है हमको, तो हम क्यों करें.
वही ना, प्रिविलेज बहुत प्रिविलेज खराब कर देता है ना, मतलब चीज़ों को.
इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि किसी के घर पे पैसा है वही कर रहा है.
हाँ
किसी के घर पे पैसा नहीं भी है ना, एक गरीब को भी अगर मैं देखता हूँ ना, उसका ज़्यादा लाड़ प्यार ज़्यादा हो रहा है, उसको और ज़्यादा सब कुछ करके मिल रहा है.
हाँ
तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना नहीं सीख रहा है कभी. वो भले ही पढ़ाई में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, वो एक IT इंजीनियर बन जाएगा बहुत अच्छा सा, लेकिन फिर भी जब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने की बारी आती ना, वो बहुत ही ढीला पड़ जाएगा.
हालांकि अगर आप अगर 10 फिगर पे, मतलब वो 10 लाख के पार पहुंच गए हो आप, और आप चाय नहीं बना पा रहे हो खुद के लिए, जो आपको खुद पीनी है.
करेक्ट.
माय गॉड, सच अ हिपोक्रेट यू आर. जो 5वीं कक्षा में आप स्किल सीख सकते थे,
Correct.
वो आपने अभी 28 साल तक नहीं सीखी
दीज
है.
आर द काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु लुक डाउन टू पीपल कि भाई ये मेरे लिए काम तो हो जा रहा है, मैं पैसे तो दे रहा हूँ.
हाँ, इट्स नॉट
एग्जैक्टली दैट पीपल हु लुक डाउन टू पीपल.
हाँ जिन्होंने किया नहीं होता है.
जिन्होंने किया नहीं होता. कि हमने कभी मड में गए नहीं, हमको मालूम ही नहीं कि गंदा क्या है, या हमने कभी स्पूनी वाइप नहीं किया, हमको पता ही नहीं कि उतना मेहनत क्या है.
कभी सर आपके पास में लोग आते हैं, आपके स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं कि जॉब बहुत काम करवा रहे हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब मैं सो नहीं पा रहा हूँ और मेरे को रात को 3 बजे मेरी शिफ्ट लगी है और मैं क्योंकि 3 बजे पे किचन शुरू रहता है 5 स्टार होटल्स वगैरह में, तो मैं रात भर काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं सो नहीं पा रहा हूँ, मैं सैलरी इतनी कम है सर, तो मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ, दूसरी दूसरी इंडस्ट्री में जा रहा हूँ। मतलब इससे तो अच्छा मैं कोई दूसरी चीज़ कर लूँ, कॉल सेंटर में काम कर लूँ, मैं कोई कोडिंग सीख लूँ, मैं कुछ ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग सीख लूँ, पर ये नहीं करना। उनको क्या एडवाइस देते हो आप?
मैं सिंपल आता है, मैं बोलता हूँ कि देखो सर, आप आए थे एज अ शेफ़ बनने,
हाँ
आपका पैशन था एज अ शेफ़ बनना। अब वो प्रोसेस जो है वो या तो डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकता है या तो ईजी हो सकता है, आपके नज़रिए के ऊपर है।
हाँ
अगर मैं मेरा नज़रिया सही रखूँ कि ओके दिस इज़ गाइडिंग मी टू बिकम बेटर, देन यू आर ऑन द राइट पाथ। द टाइम यू सी कि भाई ये मेरे को दिक्कत दे रहा है, कौन से काम में दिक्कत नहीं है?
हाँ कि
एक इंडस्ट्री बताओ मैं जिसमें दिक्कत नहीं है। हाँ, यहाँ पे बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग इट फिजिकली, यहाँ पे चैलेंजेस थोड़े ज़्यादा है। मे बी आप हीट के सामने काम कर रहे हो, आप प्रेशर के साथ काम कर रहे हो, एंड आप
हाँ
लॉन्ग आवर्स स्टैंडिंग होके काम कर रहे हो, खड़े रह के, तो अपने को दिक्कत आना, विजिबिलिटी दिक्कत शुरू हो जाता है, दिखना शुरू हो जाता है। बट ऐसा कोई इंडस्ट्री नहीं जहाँ पे दिक्कत नहीं है,
करेक्ट।
जहाँ पे आपका मैनेजर आपको परेशान नहीं करता। आप आईटी में चले जाओ, आप सर्विस में चले जाओ, आप कौन सी भी इंडस्ट्री में चले जाओ, वी डू नॉट लाइक आवर बॉसेस समटाइम्स।
हाँ, we don't like a bad boss is gonna bite you in any point of your career.
Correct.
And
So-
even if you are the owner of the company, like I'm the founder of the company, so technically I don't have boss,
Yeah.
but I have a client.
Correct.
Some clients are amazing with us. Some clients give us the stick. So when they give you the carrot, you eat the carrot. When they give you the stick, you take the stick.
Take the stick.
I can't leave my company because a client was rude to me.
Correct.
Even if I'm the owner of the company, it can't work
So-
like that.
I motivate them again. I simply say that
Right.
you are on the right path.
हाँ.
If you are failing also, you are on the right path. Survive. Till the moment your passion is going to become a chef, leave it. Because again, I cannot bring passion into you.
Right.
I can guide you what is the steps to achieve that.
Yeah.
But I cannot tell you कि okay यही करना पड़ेगा, ये नहीं करना पड़ेगा. If your moment is gone, done. If I can help you with something, I do that. I give them guidance that how you can maybe say sleep better, or sometimes face a situation, how you can come out of that situation. So there are certain conflicts sometimes. A student has gone down. He's not used to that environment where people are rude. Well, when people are working under pressure, they tend to become rude.
Right.
Very normal. Any human can break down. When you're working under heat, under a lot of pressure, under targets that needs to be gone out.
हाँ, there are deadlines in every industry.
Deadlines. Our deadlines, the guest is sitting outside.
Right.
Your deadline is within 1 month or 2 months.
Right.
So you have time to make a mistake.
Right.
For us, we do not have time
When
to
the
make
customer has entered, now you're in the game.
Yeah.
Now you can't have 3 lives.
Correct.
You have only 1 life.
One life.
In one go, you have to give them the best experience that they can, so that they choose to come at your place the second time and the third time. Otherwise, they have 1000 options in every city. Even in a smaller town, you have more than 30 options to go. Why will the customer come back to your place? Is because of the experience that they get,
Service.
the service that they get. Amazing. सो वॉट यू आर सेइंग इज दैट आप किसी को ये नहीं बताते हो कि क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है, आप बताते हो कि अगर ये करना है तो ऐसे कर, ये करना है तो ऐसे
इसका
कर.
रास्ता यही है.
हाँ, एक दूसरा रास्ता है ही
है
नहीं.
ही नहीं सर. कोई कौन से इंडस्ट्री में आप कौन बोल सकता है कि बिना मेहनत के मैं आगे नहीं जा सकता हूँ? आप मेरे को एक इंडस्ट्री बता दो. हाँ, यहाँ पे बस दिख रहा है, उसके लिए अपने को बुरा लग रहा है किसी के लिए. और
Why
कुछ
did you decide to go into teaching? Why not become a full-time chef at a very luxury like a Marriott or a Radisson or something like that?
So I started my career.
Okay.
Within the last few ventures when I was working, I had an option to train my staff. I was at a higher position as a head chef, where I had people coming in and going out. The iteration rate, again, like I told, it's very high.
Yeah.
So within 6 months, again, I have to train a new employee.
Yeah.
Within 6 months, I have to train a new employee. So what used to happen is, while they were leaving, I was feeling very bad. Ki my hard work is going into vain, and again I have to start my hard work for 6 months.
Yeah.
After 6 months,
Yeah.
so I was like, this person is not even paying me to do my hard work.
Right.
The job that I'm getting paid is to handle the operation or maybe train little. The amount of effort that I put in to train
Right.
is too much. Why not find people who are actually paying me to do this job?
For doing the training.
So
Yeah.
then I found the opportunity. There was opening. I found it. I got a job. I started enjoying it.
Right.
Initially, it was like earlier it was like 5 or 6 or 8 people or 10 people that you were briefing with. Your my first class, there were 65 students right in front of me.
Nice.
It was a little. I was a little scared. I won't lie. I was scared. But then when I started sharing my experiences, and I got a good response from that side also.
Yeah.
It's a two-way thing. Teaching is a two-way thing.
Yeah.
If I am delivering, there is somebody that is consuming also.
How are you as a teacher? Are you like the strict person who's like जिनकी क्लास में बात नहीं कर सकते, और are you जिनकी क्लास में भाई कितने सवाल पूछने पूछ ले, आज मैं पढ़ाना छोड़ के सिर्फ आज तेरे डाउट सॉल्व करूंगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
I am best of both the worlds, sir.
बेस्ट ऑफ बोथ द वर्ल्ड्स. ये तो यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ मेंटेन द बैलेंस, क्योंकि अगर आप अभी बोल दोगे कि आप एकदम चिल टीचर हो, तो फिर वो तो आपको क्लास में वीडियो दिखा देंगे कि आप तो सर वहाँ ये बोल के आए हो,
Correct.
हमें ये पर्सनैलिटी क्यों नहीं दिख रही है.
No, so there are situations where I have to become a personality. There are situations where I have to become
Right.
very chill. Again, if I keep on hammering you, you will run away from me.
हाँ.
If I do not, if I entertain you, you will come to me with your doubts. You will feel comfortable to to speak your heart out. So I want both of it.
हाँ.
I draw a line that okay, when you enter into a classroom, either a theory or a practical, this is the line that we draw. You want to talk something where you want some guidance. Yes, I'm open for it post class.
Okay.
But within a class, this is the decorum of the class that needs to be maintained.
Right.
Rules and regulations, that does not change. Either it is mine or the colleges or the kitchens. There are certain rules for everywhere.
Right.
You cannot break that. If you want to break that, you have to be smarter than me.
Right.
You outsmart me, you do it. And that is very rare, I tell you.
That is amazing. Like, I really feel that honestly, it is one of the most noble professions, teaching somebody. The nobility comes in because you are getting the chance to shape the entire generation.
Correct.
कोई भी प्रोफेशन अदर देन टीचिंग इतना ज़्यादा नोबेल नहीं रहता है कि आप एक पूरी नेक्स्ट कंट्री की जनरेशन को शेप कर सकते हो. तो वो मैंने भी मेरे टीचर से देखा है कि मैं सेम सवाल मैंने उनको पूछा है कि आपको तो कंस्ट्रक्शन का इतना नॉलेज है, तो आप तो यार 100 करोड़ की बिल्डिंग्स, ऐसे आपको रट्टा हो जाता है कि 100 करोड़ की बिल्डिंग के फाइनेंशियल कैलकुलेशंस कैसे करने हैं, बच्चों को क्यों पढ़ाते हो? अच्छा लगता है. क्योंकि जब मेरा स्टूडेंट उसने मुझे यही कहा कि मैंने मेरे प्रोफेसर को पूछा था, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मैं तो एक बिल्डिंग बनाऊंगा ना, मेरे 100 बच्चे अगर 100 बिल्डिंग बनाएंगे तो सोच तू कि मेरा नॉलेज मैं दे रहा हूँ उससे पूरी सिटी बनती हुई दिख रही है. तो वो बहुत प्राउडली जाते हैं. सिविल इंजीनियर्स में एक ये प्राउड चीज़ होती है कि हम अगर जा रहे हैं रोड पे तो हम बोल सकते हैं कि हमने बनाया.
Correct.
ये बिल्डिंग हमने बनाई है, ये वाला डैम हमने बनाया. तो मैं यूके में मैंने हाईवेज बनाए थे 2 साल, तो मेरे लिए एक प्राउड मोमेंट वो है कि मेरी मम्मी को ले जाके बता सकता हूँ कि भाई हमने बनाया. फॉर टीचर्स इट्स लाइक ये मैं 100 बार कर सकता हूँ कि मेरा ये वाला स्टूडेंट है ना, उसकी ये बिल्डिंग है, मेरा ये. फॉर यू हैज़ इट हैपेंड दैट लाइक सम ऑफ योर स्टूडेंट्स हैव गॉन आउट, created something huge in the industry, and now you are like super proud of them? You go to their venues or some places that they are running and you feel like, wow, this is the guy who I saw back, and now look at this guy just killing it in the industry.
There have been situations where people have gone into becoming a good chef. There have been people who have worked around the food.
Yeah.
There have been people who have just made up their marketing agency. I am working with one of them.
Right.
So that's one of my students that I work with.
Okay.
So you give them directions.
Right.
You show them, okay, this is the path that you can choose. Then it is their ability
Right.
and their strength. Can they multiply their ability and their strength with the knowledge and put out a result? Yes, it's a lovely feeling when that happens.
Right.
There are not every time a student will do very, very good, but are they keeping on doing it? That is the most important thing that I love.
Right.
You do not quit.
Right.
That is where I get happy because I'm very new to teaching part. It's not that I have been into this industry from 20 years or 30 years. It's very new. It's like 4 years now, 3 years.
Yeah.
So I do see a lot of people, whoever is doing good. Till the time you haven't stopped, I have won.
Right. Exactly, because quitting is like, it's very easy. नहीं, कल से नहीं करूँगा काम मैं. That is so easy. But to do that for 30 years, for 40 years, same every day. Like I've learned this from my dad. He's working in the same media company for the past 35 years. Every day he said that he has sat on the same place. His designations have changed from a junior reporter to a senior reporter to a chief reporter to an editor. Now he works for about 4.5 hours a day. 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock he works. He has put 16 hours on that same table. Now he puts 4 hours on that table. But the thing is that you can't quit. You have a family to feed. You have a career to run. You have the world facing at you, waiting for you to fail. In that moment, you can't fail.
Correct.
When the people enjoy that, आज ये अगर fail हो जाएगा ना, तो मेरे को बहुत मजा आएगा. That time you can't fail.
Exactly, because there are people looking up to you.
हाँ.
It's like I have seen my dad working continuously. Like he leaves the house at 10 a.m. in the morning, maybe comes back at 6, 7. He has been going to the same shop.
हाँ.
He has been doing on the same business. Like you just said, consistency is far more dangerous than talent. I'll tell you that.
Right.
You are consistent in doing something, you will pull off wonders. You can show me best talent, but the second day if you're down, what is the point of the best of the
क्या
talent?
हुआ आप एक वो वनडे वंडर्स हो गए फिर
हाँ.
आप वनडे वंडर्स जनरली कितना कमाएंगे मतलब 5 साल तक उनका वो जो वनडे वंडर है 3 साल तक लेके जाएगा 5 साल इफ़ यू डोंट री इन्वेंट योर सेल्फ इफ़ यू डोंट इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ इफ़ यू डोंट लर्न फ्रॉम एवरी सिंगल पर्सन कोई इंसान के चम्मच पकड़ने के तरीके से भी आप चम्मच पकड़ना सीख सकते हो बट अगर आप इतने एरोगेंट हो जाओगे कि नहीं मैं नहीं सीखूंगा मुझे आता है सब मुझे सब आता है देन यू गोना फॉल वन डे सो बिग दैट इट बिकम्स ट्रॉमेटिक देन and then people blame the industry. Then what happens, it changes the whole industry's perception. Somebody not being able to do their job properly, they fail, and then people sitting in a room are like कि ये industry में ऐसे होता है very easily people say कि नहीं ये industry में ऐसे होता है.
नेगेटिव हम बहुत जल्दी देख लेते हैं ना सर.
हाँ
कि पॉजिटिव देखना
हाँ
किसी चीज़ में एंड एक नेगेटिव दिखना दोनों में बहुत फ़र्क है. पॉजिटिव हमें दिखता नहीं जल्दी, नेगेटिव हमें एक दिखा वी टेक इट कम्प्लीटली कि पूरा पिक्चर ही नेगेटिव है. एक कोई गलत सीन देख लिया हमने किसी मूवी में,
हाँ
ओके ये मूवी शायद अच्छा नहीं है, तो हमें नेगेटिव बहुत जल्दी दिखता है.
हाँ
वी आर ह्यूमंस, वी सी द नेगेटिव पार्ट्स ओनली. सो वो नहीं करना चाहिए ऐसा लगता है मेरे को. बट अगेन
I've read so many books about optimism and the whole positive mind mentality and affirmations and all that. So it's very tough to make me sad. It's very tough. Like you can try, but you won't be successful. So now my wife has started hating this. That कि तू मतलब तुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम अफेक्ट नहीं करती क्या लाइक तुझे कोई भी बात पे गुस्सा नहीं आता क्या हम लाइक मुझे आता है I process it better, I process it fast, and then I'm happy again. So she doesn't like that. She's like कि नहीं you should spend some time feeling sad because it is okay to feel sad. So sometimes I go into that spectrum, then I have to come back. Okay, can I feel sad for some time about something that I've lost? I've stopped feeling sad now. I lose a client, don't feel sad. A podcast goes bad, I don't feel sad. It's very hard for somebody to affect my mood right now. But it has helped me that to maintain my character because no matter what has happened in my personal life or my personal brain or my body, I know how to just go out there and show up. That is half the job done.
करेक्ट.
The other half of the job then I'll figure out. That is the external stakeholders. Internal stakeholding जो है तुम्हारी that is just to show up.
Correct.
No matter how you are feeling.
So I teach my students something. Whenever they are cooking, like sometimes things go wrong. They are cooking and the food goes bad. I just tell them to restart. That is the first thing that you can do. And sometimes they do not restart. They are like, okay, chef, kharab ho gaya. I am having a bad day. Mela, are you making the food or the food is making you?
Yeah.
So the answer comes out that I am making the food. Mela, okay, then restart. Make it.
Make it again.
It is similar with problems in our life. Till the time the problem is not bigger than us,
हाँ.
it is our problem. We are not the problem.
Right.
Like we are not bound to the problem. It is our problem. If God has given you that problem, He has also given you the strength to solve it.
Yeah.
So optimism is either through books or through your life or through your experiences.
Yeah.
The better the brain that is there, that okay, I can see positives in something. It's like you remember sentences in your school time, either the glass is half full or half empty.
Half empty. Yeah.
If you look at the glass half full, it's beautiful. You look at the glass half empty, it is always going to disappoint you. That okay, इसमें और पानी होता तो और अच्छा होता.
हाँ. And then it also creates the opportunity. Can I fill the glass? People don't understand like भाई ठीक है. Glass is half full, glass is half empty. Okay. So two people are looking at it. One is happy that the glass is half full. The other is sad. I'm thinking, how can I fill the glass?
Exactly.
Where do I get the water? What skill is the water that I use to fill up a glass? And then it has solved so many problems कि अभी मेरा mind एकदम ऐसे train हो गया कि problem क्या है वो बताओ. उसको सिंपल सेंटेंस में लिखो और उसका सिंपल आंसर प्रेजेंट करो. लाइक यू सेड, इफ अ डिश हैज़ गॉन बैड, मेक इट अगेन. क्या कर सकते हो? पके हुए चावल को फिर से थोड़ी पकाओगे. नया चावल लो, फिर से
पकाओ.
बनाओ, फिर से पकाओ, 3 बार बनाओ, 4 बार बनाओ, अच्छा बन जाएगा.
क्या होगा? बुरे से बुरा गरा नहीं बनेगा ना, वो तो वैसे भी नहीं बन रहा था.
वो तो पहला वाला भी नहीं बना. तो पहली बार फेल हुआ, 5वें बार फेल हुआ, बात तो सेम ही है. पर अगर एक बार अच्छा बन गया
हाँ,
तो फिर बन
जाएगा,
जाओगे.
बन ही जाता है. मतलब वही बोला ना, खाने को मैं ही पका रहा हूँ, चावल मेरे को थोड़ी पका रहा है. मैं ही चावल को पका रहा हूँ ना. मैं ठीक है, शायद किसी बार ओवर कुक कर दूंगा, किसी बार अंडर कुक कर दूंगा, लेकिन मैं ही पका रहा हूँ. ओवर कुक भी मैं ही कर रहा हूँ, अंडर कुक भी मैं ही कर रहा हूँ, जला भी मैं ही रहा हूँ. तीनों स्टेज में मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. आई हैव द होल कंट्रोल ऑफ माई लाइफ, माई फूड, माई प्रॉब्लम्स, व्हाट आई फील.
Right. This is great to have perspective of somebody who has solved problems in their industry, to have to learn the problem solving ability general in the same. What is the average fees that the colleges are charging, and could you tell me कि इसके beyond अगर college कोई fees charge कर रहा है तो maybe it's not worth going in.
On an average right now, with the services that they provide, it also depends upon what kind of infrastructure they give you, what kind of kitchen they give you, what kind of ingredients that they provide. So on an average, it is about 2 lakhs that you pay for a year.
Per year.
Per year.
Okay, and it's a 4-year course.
It's a 3-year course.
It's a 3-year course and 2 lakh rupees per year.
Per year.
ठीक है.
You can also opt for just a particular, like say I wanted to become a chef. So earlier when I was doing it, I didn't have the opportunity to just go into culinary field. I had to do hotel management, then go into culinary field. Nowadays there are very much ample amount of options where I can just opt for only culinary.
Okay.
That goes a little expensive because again, ingredients come at a very higher cost.
Yeah.
So they are charging you for the ingredients or
Right.
the kitchen that you're using. They do not charge you for just for the tuition fees.
Right.
So an average 2 lakhs is good enough. Are there people who are charging more? Yes. There are a lot of people, they go up to 6 lakhs rupees, 7 lakh rupees
A year.
a year.
Wow.
They do, but they eventually provide you with something in return. It is not the ROI that we see after finding a job. What is the infrastructure that I get?
Right.
What is the safety that I get?
Yeah.
At what time do I get? Whenever I want it, is it available or not?
Right.
What is the convenience that I get when I'm studying here? I go to maybe say a low line college. The convenience might be very less.
Yeah.
So sometimes we pay for convenience. We do not pay for the course.
Okay.
We pay for the convenience.
That makes sense.
So everybody does that. Even in engineering, there are colleges who are just charging you 30,000 rupees for a year.
Yeah.
Then there are colleges who are charging you 8 lakh rupees for a year.
But they are not able to facilitate what the bigger colleges are able to facilitate. Correct.
So
Yeah.
the convenience that I provide,
Yeah.
neither of them are wrong. One is showing you that picture, giving you a picture very clearly. But what we tend to judge on is what do I get after coming out of this college?
Right.
They are selling you the 3 years. They are not selling you what happens after 3 years.
Right.
There are very less chances that people do. They do. I'm not telling you that people do not make fake promises.
Yeah.
They do make fake promises, but eventually they charge you for the 3 years that they will be providing you,
Right.
not post that.
Correct. That is still a fine transaction, right? My wife went to this college called TIS in Mumbai, and she was being taught, some of the modules were taught by people who are actually running a hospital. So she has done her MBA in managing hospitals. So people who are actually running a hospital, them coming to the industry and them teaching you a lecture. So the prestige of college is that who is teaching you,
Correct.
what they have faced in their career, so that they're in a position to teach you. Obviously, I can get somebody who has done a graduation and a post graduation, never stepped into a hotel, never stepped into a fine dining restaurant, never stepped into a whole industry. Just they have a degree and they can teach 50 people as well. But the amount of difference of that experience that goes in. That's why I think the brands like Symbiosis, as you said, because they're able to produce the teachers
Correct.
that have been into that industry, and then they are able to connect that to the companies as well.
Correct.
That see who's teaching our students. Then the companies see that, and then they hire the students. That okay, if these are like of certain laureates students, we can immediately hire them.
Correct.
तो अगर वो ब्रांड नेम फिर वहीं से एस्टैब्लिश होता है, एंड आई थिंक दे डिजर्व टू चार्ज द फी दैट दे आर, बिकॉज एज यू सेड दे आर इन द बिजनेस ऑफ मेकिंग मनी. दैट इज फाइन. I really hope that there is some conscious when even in your college or some other college, I always get worried that are they doing enough for the young people, like you know, and I know it's not a charity, but then on the prospect कि वो अपने लाइफ के 4 या 5 साल आपके पास में रहने वाला है एंड देन उसके लाइफ के अगले 30 साल उस पर डिपेंड करते हैं, आर यू डूइंग इनफ फॉर दैट स्टूडेंट? That's a good question that I would, you know, someday want to ask somebody who's running a college that what are you doing for the students so that the money you charge is worth it, you know, something like that.
Okay, so I'll speak about Symbiosis now. I teach a course that is graduation in culinary arts.
Okay.
Now, when I was a chef, when I was doing my hotel management, I never learned a subject called culinary maths.
Culinary maths.
Maths.
Okay, there was not a subject.
Not a subject.
Okay.
I was learning from my experience,
Okay.
like costing about the food, how
Right.
much wastage, what is the yield out of it.
Right.
Here, when I come to Symbiosis, the course has been designed like such where I learn everything around the food.
Right.
I learned my culinary maths within the first year. In the second semester, that I am able to manage about the food. I learn everything around it. It is about food photography.
Right. Right.
I learn about the angles. I learn about the temperature, science behind it, everything. I can become a food manufacturer also.
Right.
I can become a food dealer also. I can become a food photographer also.
So from
Can-
the college you started learning and then the college you started teaching at, it was a difference of the way they have curated their programs, and then the options, like the ample amount of options, as you said, more than 10 things you can do after getting out of the same course.
Correct.
So this batch of 60 people, they have 10 different options. It's the same with civil engineering, right? So after becoming a civil engineer, you can do everything. You can become a dam person, you can become a road person, bridge person. So like you can do ample amount of careers, but the student need to be now vocal about that. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to be a chef. I want to be an operations manager. I want to be a procurement manager. I want to work in housekeeping. I want to work in hospitality, in HR, in finance. They have to be at least aware about themselves.
Correct.
That maybe I am not able to do as good as a chef, but I can do really good as a finance manager.
Correct.
Who helps the chef,
Correct.
who helps the kitchen manager, something like that. So the options are there. And then, as you said, the career graph is also there, provided that you understand the industry.
Correct.
So I then the people who then say that कि इसमें क्या रखा है and all that, they are very cynicist people, and I don't deal myself with cynicist people. Like you can be cynical about everything कि हाँ दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी. So what do? Do you not go to your job the next day? वो स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन है अभिषेक उपमन्यु ही सेज की, तो मैंने कॉस्मोस के ऊपर बुक पढ़ी तो मुझे पता चला कि अर्थ तो एक गैलेक्सी पे छोटा सा डॉट है, फिर मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी भी एक छोटी सी गैलेक्सी है, इससे एंड्रोमेडा उससे बड़ी है, फिर और बड़ी गैलेक्सी, फिर फिर उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि तुम कुछ नहीं हो, तुम यूनिवर्स की धूल के तिनके के बराबर भी नहीं. तो ही वॉज लाइक फिर मैं क्या करूँ, जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
Correct.
तो सुबह उठ के तो काम करना ही है.
करना ही.
तो so many options the industry provides, so many career growth the industry provides. Anything that you have felt that the industry should stop doing, कि इंडस्ट्री में ये होता है, बहुत स्टैंडर्ड प्रैक्टिस है, बट नहीं होना चाहिए, इससे बेटर कर सकती है इंडस्ट्री, ऐसा लगता है आपको कहीं?
Within the kitchen environment, if you're asking me, a lot of things can be changed. It is already changing, I won't lie about it. There have been situations where our senior chefs, where I was training under, overworking was called like, ये हमने भी किया है.
Longer shifts,
ये हमने भी किया है.
16-hour shifts.
16 hours, I have done 14 hours, 16 hours.
Wow.
So, my seniors used to tell कि ये हमने भी किया.
हाँ
Yes, I get it. आपने किया, आपके टाइम पे challenges अलग थे.
हाँ
अब मेरे टाइम पे challenges यहाँ पे अलग है.
Correct.
Earlier, nobody was talking about mental health.
हाँ
Nowadays, people have started speaking about mental health. It is not just in my industry. Every industry, we have just, as overall India, we have just started to speak about mental health.
अभी जस्ट, एंड वी आर वेरी लेट टू द पार्टी,
Yes.
दैट वी वांट टू एक्नॉलेज कि हाँ हमारे लोगों को मेंटल स्ट्रेस होता है. ये
दे रहा है
बहुत
दुरुस्त
लेट, हाँ दे रहा है दुरुस्त है
आए तो
कि
कम
चलो
से
हाँ
कम.
कोई इंडस्ट्री बात तो कर रही है इस बारे में
Correct.
कि यार नहीं हम इससे बेटर जॉब्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एविएशन इंडस्ट्री में भी सेम है, हॉस्पिटैलिटी
हर
में भी
जगह same, sir.
16 घंटे.
India, we exploit. I'll tell you, India,
हाँ.
we exploit every industry. Tell me one industry who is telling me that I am paid perfectly.
नहीं कोई नहीं. और ये मुझे नहीं लगता कि लाइक आई आस्क्ड अ बैंकर ऑल्सो. पहले एक होता था ना बैंक जॉब है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. जो बैंकर्स है, बैंक मैनेजर है, वो कह रहे हैं कि भाई मैं 9:30 से लेके 7:30 तक 8:30 तक ऑफिस में ही हूँ मार्च एंडिंग पे,
करेक्ट
तो तुम्हें नहीं पता कि मेरा मार्च में कितना टाइम जाता है और हर क्वार्टर के एंड पे कितना टाइम जाता है. लोगों की जॉब डिपेंड करती है अगर टारगेट्स पूरे नहीं होते तो. एवरी इंडस्ट्री इज लाइक दैट एंड वी काइंड ऑफ I think we all work under pressure of a different kind, but we are more empathetic about some of these industries and we don't care about some of these industries. That should change.
यस बिकॉज अगेन इंडिया हैज़ बीन टोल्ड कि अगर आप पहले के ज़माने में ऐसा होता कि पोस्ट द इंडिपेंडेंस अगर लड़की है तो आप डॉक्टर बनोगे,
हाँ
अगर लड़का है तो आप इंजीनियर बनोगे.
हाँ
हमें तीसरा ऑप्शन पता ही नहीं था
पता ही नहीं था.
एंड क्योंकि एग्जिस्ट भी नहीं करता. ऐसा नहीं कि हमें पता नहीं था,
हाँ बहुत कम ऑप्शन
एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता
हाँ
था. पहले टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री था, टेक्सटाइल रेवोल्यूशन था. उस टाइम पे आप कर करके आप टेक्सटाइल में ही काम कर
सब
पाओगे.
मिल में काम करते थे.
सब मिल में काम करते थे. उस फिर इंडस्ट्री आया जहाँ पे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आया, फिर लोग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में घुसे,
फैक्ट्रीज में काम करते
फैक्ट्रीज में काम करना शुरू किया. अब जाके ऑप्शंस इतने ओपन हुए कि वी कैन वर्क एनीवेयर.
हाँ
Like you can work anywhere, I can work anywhere. So we have understood, okay, while working at this place we get under stress.
right
This is the challenges in this job, this
Right.
is the challenges in this job. Say for just you mentioned bank, for me 31st March does not make any difference,
right
but for a banker or for people who are in the income tax around that thing,
हाँ
for them 31st March is the best or the worst day.
हाँ हाँ
Of
of
their
their
life.
life. हाँ correct.
There is no difference. For me, I do not care. It's just 31st. Maybe I will wait for my first. That salary आएगा.
I know.
उतना ही है.
हाँ
Worst case scenario. So every industry has their own challenges,
correct.
and it will never go. You have to do it. That is not going anywhere.
I have spoken this to my family
Yeah.
कभी तो भी कि when I was a bartender I fell in love with that job. I was drinking with Brits and I was drinking like pints and good types of gins. They are very fond on pints and gins and rums.
Correct.
So the Brits. So I was drinking those. I was learning about being a bartender. I was behind the bar counter for 14 hours and I was making like cocktails. I made about 4,000 pounds worth of cocktail in one day. And like our bar did 32,000 pounds worth of sales. So I was in the top 3 bartenders. I tell my family that if I am done with all of this shit, because a bartender works at the night.
Night.
So a bartender is a night champion. वो रात को 9 बजे से लेके 3 बजे तक जितना काम करता है बार में, that is another. So I'm a night person. I'm not a day person. For me, I'm very nocturnal. मेरे को रात को अच्छा लगता है. Just for that reason, I told my family that I'll try to be a civil engineer. I'll try to be a construction manager. I'll do all these things, which by God's grace, it's working now. It's working fine. Had it not worked, I was one step on the door that, okay, I'm gonna go to that bar. I'm gonna call them again. I'm gonna ask them for a visa. I'll go. I'll be a bartender in the UK. It's again not the best money, but the best experience that I've had.
Satisfaction, I'll tell you that.
I loved talking to people who are drunk. Oh my god, it's so funny. First of all, I don't know if you get around so many drunk people, but it's so fun talking to them. Their words are silly. Can I have a glass of prosecco? This is like it's 2 in the night and he's having a champagne. He's celebrating something. So the adrenaline of his celebration, it also comes to you.
The energy passes down.
हाँ energy pass out. जैसे people are having like some girls are coming out for their birthday, right? So they're having tequila shots. So we offer 3 plus 2 shots. So there are 3 girls. Now we are offering 2 shots. So they're offering that shot to me. That it's my friend's birthday. You'd have a shot with us.
Correct.
So something like that. So it's pleasant, and because I know that I have to make that person feel pleasant, there's a big smile on my face. I'm loving to serve them. When I'm shaking this cocktail and I'm this Indian person in a bar full of Brits.
Yes.
So it's entirely different. And I grew my hair and all that. So I was shaking this cocktail, talking to them, and they're talking in a different accent. I'm trying to learn so much. So amazing job experience as a bartender I had.
Just to call you, you are also, as a bartender, you are also called as a liquid chef.
A liquid chef?
Yeah.
Wow.
Like we do.
That's a cool thing.
Yeah. You are a chef.
Yeah.
Like you are dealing with liquids, right?
Okay, yeah.
So it's a liquid chef.
Yeah.
And secondly, about being into this industry, the energy when it passes down, like you just mentioned that people are coming and celebrating.
Yeah.
When they pass down that energy, I feel like, okay, I have done something better
Right.
in their life.
Yeah.
Whenever I make a plate, sometimes I used to peep out from my kitchen, okay, what happens to that plate? The first thing sometimes a guest does is click a photo.
Yeah.
Okay. 50% satisfied there.
Right.
Second step, the facial expression when they have their first bite, if there is a smile, 100% satisfied.
Wow.
Third step, if you want to see, has the plate come out clean, even better satisfied.
Because they ate like the whole thing.
Everything.
Right.
So I do not go validate myself on a paycheck. I validate myself as a chef into this industry by the smile, by what they do to my food,
Yeah.
or how does the food plate comes out.
ये
from
ये
their
बहुत
plate.
सच बात है कि मैं अगर किसी के साथ खाने गया हूँ, मेरे दोस्त है, मेरी वाइफ है, मेरी फैमिली है, जो भी है, उनके साथ मैं खाने गया हूँ, पहला बाइट लेते से मैं उनको देखूंगा, वो मेरे को देखेंगे कि बता कैसा लगा,
Correct.
बता कैसा लगा. वो जो क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है ना कि हमने 2 डिश ऑर्डर करी है, मैंने मशरूम्स ऑर्डर करे, उसने पनीर ऑर्डर करा है, बता कैसा लगा. तो वो जो एक रहता है, एंड फ्रॉम योर वेंटेज पॉइंट फ्रॉम अ किचन, इफ यू सी दैट एंड द बोथ पीपल आर like you know this just this
Done.
1 second worth of expression is like this, and
I am
it's
good.
your day.
It's like a motivation for me to prepare the second plate even better.
Right.
And if there is a reorder of that same product from that same table, you have made my day.
Wow.
Like I feel
You
that
can
happy.
have one more of that.
Yeah. If the order is coming as simple as that within the next 10 minutes,
Yeah.
my day is done. That my job is going perfectly fine.
Amazing.
Like no matter how much pressure I'm working under, I am sweating. Sometimes I get into cuts, I get burnt out, but still that satisfaction no money can give you. Like pleasing somebody with your work.
इसलिए मुझे आई थिंक वो जॉब अच्छा इसलिए लगा बारटेंडिंग का, बिकॉज द एक्सपीरियंस, वो जो लोग डांस कर रहे हैं ना मेरी ड्रिंक्स पीने के बाद,
Correct.
मुझे वो चाहिए था कि यार ये बहुत सही है कि आई हैव मेड समबडी ओल्ड फैशन, आई मेड समबडी अ कॉस्मो, नाउ दे आर हैविंग अ डांस.
Correct.
And
That's
Brits drink a lot. A
yes.
lot. So it was like again good money. There was this family the other day, they were having their 25th anniversary or something. They tipped me 100 pounds. My shift was 80 pounds a day.
Exactly.
And they tipped me 100 pounds. So it like in a day I'm making it like 180 pounds. That's I think 18,000 rupees.
Exactly. So,
18,000 रुपीज़ इन 1 डे. और मैं इंडिया जब छोड़ के गया था एज अ इंजीनियर, तो मेरी सैलरी 30,000 थी. तो फॉर मी यू नो द मनी ऑल्सो, द लव ऑल्सो, एंड दे थैंक्ड मी बिकॉज आई वॉज सर्विंग देम फॉर 3 hours. देयर फैमिली वॉज हैविंग देयर डिनर, ड्रिंक्स एंड कॉकटेल्स, एंड लाइक रिमेंबरिंग द 30 डिशेज दैट दे ऑर्डर,
correct.
वो सब भी, एंड अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. सो आई रिकमेंड पीपल दिस करियर when they come to me that you know I don't want to be an engineer, I don't want to be this. I'm like, why don't you go into the luxury hotel management sector? Why don't you try to pierce into that? Because you will meet people of the highest, the obviously the logic is the highest earners of the country will come over there. You will get a chance to interact with them. Imagine what it does to your mindset.
Right. Exactly.
तो आई टेल पीपल दिस व्हेन समबडी आस्क्स कि ये कर लो, कि IIHM करना चलो ठीक है, एक बात हो गई, बट वर्किंग इन द मोस्ट लग्जरी सेक्टर्स इन एनी, फैशन में सबसे लग्जरी में चले जाओ, फूड में सबसे लग्जरी में चले, यू मीट द पीपल हु यू कांट मीट एज एन IT इंजीनियर. आई एम सो सॉरी,
You will never.
you will never meet
You will never meet.
you will never meet those
And
people.
that person, even if you meet, they won't be as vulnerable as they are with me. When they are with me, say having a drink or having a food, I go to them, they are at the most vulnerable
Exactly, their guard is down.
stage. Their guard is down. They are in the mood to chill.
Right.
Sometimes I have been offered to sit down with a guest, like a guest was sitting alone. The guest told me like the food was very good. I came out, I was asking for a review. Chef, sir, how did you like the food, XYZ? He's like, are you doing something? I'm like, no. Would you mind joining me for lunch? Like, can I really do that?
Yeah, you can't.
I can't.
At least you can
So
sit with them.
I sat down,
Yeah.
I had a glass of water. I spoke
Yeah.
to them for 10 minutes. And he was so happy within that 10 minutes where he was sharing. He's like, I am having this lunch alone. But you coming down and having 10 minutes of conversation with me, it felt really great. Thank you.
Right.
And that thank you, no money can justify that.
I know. So again, it's a very fulfilling job internally. It fulfills you as a person. If you are a person of good virtue, if you are a dickhead, then you are a dickhead. There's no place that can save you or
Save you.
make you feel good.
Correct. If you ever want to feel that experience, now ask your mom. Go out, ask your mom whenever she has made a food or whenever she has done anything. If we have enjoyed, ask her the feeling at the end of the day. How does she feel?
Yeah.
No money can give that feeling.
Right.
I'm telling you, no money, no trip, no international trip, nothing can give you that feeling that
The
somebody
feeling
getting
of-
satisfied with
Yes.
my work.
Correct.
So that is why it makes me stay here. I know, okay, money will come. In India, if you work, keep on working, yeah, the progress might be a little slow, but also if you see the expenses, it is not very high.
Yeah.
You can survive if you are living in a city like Pune. A good 35,000, 40,000, you can easily survive.
Right.
So our expenses are also less.
Yeah.
When we compare ourselves with the international standards, their expenses are also very high.
Yeah.
That is why you get so much money. Here, that one of the reason is you do not get that much because your expenses
Because
are.
accessing good food is cheaper, accessing good things to do other than food, it is also cheaper. You can have a like 500 rupee ka movie ticket and you can call it an evening, versus in the UK you have a 12 pound ka, so it's 1200 rupees over
1200,
there.
correct.
So because they are spending more on that, because their infrastructure runs on the availability of raw, it's a whole thing. But as you said, because we live cheaper, that's why, that is also the reason that they are able to survive on a 25,000 salary. I really think कि वो 25-30 हज़ार की सैलरी में सर्वाइवल होता है. इसके ऊपर की जो भी सैलरी में आप जो भी करते हो वो आपका घमंड करवाता है आपसे बस.
Correct.
एंड इफ आई एम गोइंग एट माई मोस्ट हम्बलेस्ट लेवल, आई मेक अ 6 फिगर सैलरी, बट आई रियली थिंक कि वो सब घमंड है बाकी का. 25-30 में आपका सर्वाइवल होता है, बाकी सब में आप चलो इंश्योरेंस भी भर दो, सब कर दो. बाकी जो मनोज वाजपेयी बोलते हैं ना कि वो 50 स्क्वायर फुट में इंसान रहता है और 1000 स्क्वायर फुट में उसका घमंड रहता
घमंड
है.
रहता है, correct.
तो वो अगेन उसमें तो फिर आपकी भूख का कोई अंत ही नहीं है.
कभी
मतलब
नहीं, सर.
आप 5 लाख रुपए महीने पे भी चले जाओगे तो आप भूखे ही रहोगे फिर. तो वो उससे तो बेटर है कि आप 25,000 में फुलफिलिंग फील करो.
आप
वो कर
अपने
सक-
काम से संतुष्ट रहो.
हाँ.
लाइक कि मैं जो भी काम करने जा रहा हूँ, मैं शाम को आ रहा हूँ, मैं खुश आ रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
मैं स्ट्रेस में नहीं आ रहा हूँ. मेरा काम अगर ख़त्म है वहाँ पे, मगर मेरा आज बार बंद किया या मैंने किचन बंद किया, मैं घर पे आया तो कोई ऑर्डर नहीं है, ना कोई स्ट्रेस है मेरे को. यही अगर मैं किसी और इंडस्ट्री में जाता हूँ, फॉर एग्जांपल आप भी सर्विस बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री में, अगर कोई आईटी सर्विस बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री में, क्या रात के 10 बजे कॉल नहीं आता और आपको लॉगिन नहीं करना पड़ता.
हाँ.
बस ये है कि आप सिस्टम के सामने लॉगिन कर रहे हो, उसके लिए आपको फील नहीं हो रहा.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे हम बस एक रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर जाके कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
तो हमको ऐसा लगता है कि अरे हमको तो ज़्यादा काम मिल रहा है.
राइट.
नहीं, वही बंदा भी घर पे बैठ के कर रहा है. उसको जब बॉस का कॉल आएगा वो आधी रात को उठता है,
हाँ.
देता है. ही प्रोवाइड्स सर्विस.
I think nobody in India who makes about 10 or 12 lakh rupees is working less than 12 hours a day. I'm so sorry. Business पकड़ लो कोई भी,
कुछ भी पकड़ लो.
anything. If you are making that much money, you are attentive for 12 to 14 hours a day, every day, Monday to Sunday.
Correct.
There's no weekends for you. If you are an average Joe working for an average salary, you maybe get 3 days off.
Correct.
You maybe have less responsibilities. The more responsibilities you take, the more money you want to make, the more money you do make, you're not free. You can't be free.
एंड इट्स इंडिया व्हेन पीपल से ओके सैलरी कम है. हाँ, सैलरी कम है, आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो नहीं ले रहे हो.
हाँ.
आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तब दिया जाता है कि नहीं ये मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, ये मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. अरे
Right.
आप करने को जाओगे तो क्यों नहीं पैसे कोई देगा यार.
हाँ.
आप अगर मैं एक कंपनी चला रहा हूँ, अगर मेरे कंपनी का 50% अगर प्रॉब्लम कोई और सॉल्व कर रहा है तो मैं उसको
salary
दूंगा
मिले-
50%.
हाँ.
एज अ को ओनर समटाइम्स वी पे देम, राइट.
Right.
सो पीपल डू नॉट वांट टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एज वेल. समटाइम्स इट्स लाइक मेरे को इतना काम मिला, मैं इतने में खुश हूँ. अरे नहीं, आपने सिर्फ एक प्रोडक्शन के लिए बहुत छोटा सा हेल्प किया. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल एक होटल है, जैसे कोई बोलता है ना कि 50 किलो मैंने प्याज काटा आज. अब लुक एट द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू फ्रॉम अ होटल. अब वो 50 किलो जो प्याज काटा था ना, वो बहुत ही छोटा काम है,
हाँ.
बहुत ही छोटा काम है. कभी कभार मेरे को वैलिड भी नहीं लगता कि वो अगर नहीं होगा तो शायद कोई और नहीं कर सकता.
हाँ.
अगर छोड़ के जाओगे ना, अगर आपका काम इतना इंपॉर्टेंट होना चाहिए, आइदर यू अपस्किल योरसेल्फ सो मच दैट ओके यू कैन नॉट बी रिप्लेसेबल.
हाँ.
If a peeling onion, if a 8-year-old can do it, you're not doing a job.
A peeler can do it.
A peeler can do it. Anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Add value to your job in case you want to get highly paid.
Yeah.
If you're just surviving, you're getting paid as survival.
Right.
If you're adding value to somebody, you will be getting value added to your salaries, I feel.
Correct. So, Chef Ashish, we have come to an end of a very great episode. We have discussed everything that goes in the industry, what you need to put in, what people need to learn from the industry, and what people need to understand to be a part of this industry. Any closing remarks would you have for me? Any advice that you would have for me so that I can do better? And on that note, we would want to just wrap it up.
The more we start speaking about this industry, like we do not speak about this, we look down. So whenever you speak next time to somebody, try to tell them that okay, this is equally important industry.
Right.
I'm not telling this is the most important industry, but equally important. The day I tell you that okay, all the chefs are going out of, or the hospitality industry is going to close, the next day you want to have your food will become a little difficult. You will end up going and cooking.
Right.
Second day you will get a little frustrated. Third day you will be like, okay, ये restaurant चालू क्यों नहीं है?
Correct.
So let us be a little humble. Let us not look down to people, and let us treat them with respect, no matter what work you're doing, and it would be really great.
Any advice for me personally?
You're doing a great job, gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Thank you for hosting me out. It's been a pleasure talking to you. You have a lot of information, what I feel. You're very curious. Keep up that good work.
Thank
I
you.
really love talking right now.
Thank you so much. I really hope that the episode comes out great and I'm excited to watch the reels. Thank you so much. Thank you.